we have demo session, and Saturday, Sunday we don't have any demo. Again on 27th onwards, our regular classes is going to be started. Okay, this is nothing but about the course details what we have. Okay, yeah, sir. Yeah, let me complete my introduction, sir. Then we can ask queries. Okay, please wait. Don't mind. Sir, next and after that, sir, what benefits you are going to get from this? What benefits you are going to get from this? Okay. Sir, the benefits is nothing but running notes. Running notes will be uploaded, will be updated on daily basis. On daily basis, sir, you can able to get running notes. Okay. Sir, I will show you some sample running notes for you people. Okay. I will show you one running notes for you people. This is nothing but the running notes. This is nothing but the running notes, sir, where you are going to get like this for every program. First program, okay, sir, problem statement will be there, input and outputs will be there, what logic we have to write for that, and how you are going to write the program in C language, how you can able to write the program in Java, sir, how you can able to write the program in Python. In Python also, if time permits, we will see different versions also. In how many lines we can write the code is also very, very important nowadays, right? How sharply, how efficiently we can write the code. Sir, that also we are going to cover as a part of this one. Okay. Sir, all these things we are going to cover. Okay. Then. So like this, every problem statement, okay, with explanation, okay, everything I am going to cover. Sir, all these, where we have to practice these programs, we have HackerRank link is there. I hope majority of you people may know about this HackerRank. In that website, we have created one separate login. There you have to do the programs. Okay. So already inputs will be given, already expected output is also there. Just you have to write the program and you need to click on execute button, whether your program is satisfying our requirements or not. What is my requirement? Already I have dumped in HackerRank website. For that requirement, you have to write the program. Okay, sir, maybe you have to write a program to read a number and you have to check whether it is even number or odd number. Okay, sir, you have to write a program to check whether the given number is even number or odd number. For that, sir, what requirement you have to write? Sir, you need to create the program. You have to create the program. That is completely your choice. Okay, sir, you have to write the program here. Sir, once if you are writing the program, already, sir, I have created some test cases. Suppose if the input is nothing but 5, sir, you need to print it as a odd number. So ODD we have to print. Suppose if they are giving 6, we have to print even. Like this, sir, minimum some 7 inputs, 7 outputs will already dumped. Sir, you have to write the program and you need to, okay, run this program. Sir, if you run, it will verify, it will execute against all the test cases and it is going to return 1.0. Sir, if you cleared all the test cases, you will get 1 point. Suppose out of 5, if you are cleared only 4 test cases, sir, you will get 0.89 something like that marks. Okay, sir, every program is associated with 1 point. So after completion of this course, out of 350, sir, if you are getting 300 plus points, then make sure that you are perfect in the program. Of course, I will give the logics. I will explain you how you can able to solve, but beyond that, your practice is also required. Sir, don't worry, how to run the program in that HackerRank link, I will explain in further session. Okay. Then after running notes, you are going to get video recording also. Video recording also you are going to get, but it is not downloadable. Just you have to view the recording and the validity. Validity is nothing but almost you are going to get sir 7 months validity. 6 to 7 months, I think 6 months only, 6 months validity you are going to get. Okay, this is nothing but what benefit you are going to get. Sir, with this you are allowed to attend free workshops. Like why only for logic based we are started free workshops, sir? What is the reason for this free workshop is nothing but, assume, sir, I am explaining a string concept. Almost in this we have 50 to 60 programs will be there only on strings. But sir, you should have a minimum knowledge on string data structure, right? So without using string data structure we can't solve the problem. Sir, how I can able to solve that string data structure problems? Sir, for that compulsory you must have a knowledge on strings, right? You must have a knowledge on strings. Sir, for that we will plan a separate workshop where we are going to talk about sir, some important things which are related to our logic based programming. Like sir, what is mean by string, what is mean by string buffer, what is mean by string builder, sir, what functions are there, how you can able to construct the objects, sir, how you can able to construct string values, sir, what functions are there, equals ignore case means what, okay, concat method what it is going to do, compare to method what it is going to do, sir, compare to ignore case starts with, ends with, contains, sir, all these things we are going to cover as a part of workshop. So demanding, so suppose if I am taking these particular string programs in the Monday means I will plan one workshop in the Saturday or Sunday. So you need to attend that free workshop. So that workshop material and that workshop video also will be shared for you. Okay, so that it will be very useful for coming upcoming sessions, so that you can solve the problems very easily. Sir, like this we will have, and even some applications also we are going to develop here. See here, one application I developed. What is that application? Sir, every character first letter you have to do uppercase. So how to write the program? Here you can see, sir, here have you observed, sir, how many characters are there in this string? If length is even, if that word length is even, convert it to uppercase. If the word length is odd, keep as it is. Like this we need to prepare the applications. Sir, all these things you are going to cover in workshops, not only on string, everything we are going to see. Sir, in that video and material will be shared for you people, sir, like normal running notes only. Okay, then sir, in addition to that, the validity of a hacker rank link, okay, is lifetime validity hacker rank link. Maybe tomorrow if I am starting a new logic based programming, sir, with definitely not 350 programs, definitely I will cover 400 programs, sir, that extra 50 programs by default it will be added to your hacker rank link, sir, so that you can practice and you can communicate with me through mail or any other electronic media. Okay, sir, this is nothing but what we have. Okay, and one more thing, sir, after completion of this, okay, after completion of this you can able to crack any coding round, sir, starting from Wipro, okay, TCS, CTS, sir, any company you can take, sir, easily you can able to crack the interviews. Especially this course is very benefitable for pre-final years and final years, sir, those who are entering into the final years and those who are in the final years. Okay, for these two category students, definitely this course will be very helpful for you people. Sir, maybe you are attending the placements in your college, right? So at the time immediately one HR is coming and they are giving one problem for you. Array, write a program to check whether the given number is prime number or not. Sir, you have to write the program. How you can able to write? Sir, how you can able to think and how you can able to construct that program in various programming languages, I am there to guide you, and you have to spend some time to practice that. Okay, sir, I'm giving, if you are listening my class for 1.5 hours or 1 hour, next day, sir, listen this video 1 or 2 times and you have to practice the programs whatever I discussed. Maybe at the initial stages I will take 3 programs, 4 programs per day, but later 4, 5 programs, 6 programs. If you practice these programs, then make sure that you will be strong in the programming domain. You can able to solve any kind of program, sir. Okay, that assurance I can able to give for you people. Okay, this is nothing but our course, sir. Till now I didn't introduce the course syllabus, and then I didn't introduce it in which platform we are going to work. That part I will take care now itself. Don't worry, sir. Up to this, do you have any doubts? Yes, please let me know. All your queries I will answer, and you have to post your queries in the chat window. Please, it's time for you to ask all your queries. Go ahead, guys. Yeah, so many queries. Mostly we are getting time on Saturday and Sunday, sir. No, Sunil, it is a regular class. If you want, you can view the recordings. But Saturday, Sunday, we don't have any class. But occasionally we will take. Sunil and Nikhil, if some stuck not understand the concept, can we talk in Hindi? Nikhil, I don't know Hindi. Probably we can communicate with English. No problem. See, communication is nothing but just a medium, sir. Finally, you have to understand the concept. Don't worry. Okay. What about video recording? Saurabh, yeah, we are going to get a video recording also. Which language will be implemented? Sir, the language is nothing but C, Java, and Python. Okay. C++ option is also given for you, but based on your requirement, if you want, you can take. Otherwise, you can ignore. Sir, will the programming language will be taught? Will we proceed to the programs, or do we need to know the programming language before in hand? Yeah, definitely. Gunashekaran, definitely at least one programming language knowledge must be required. Okay, otherwise you can't understand what I'm telling. See, if I'm writing if n percentage 2 is equal to 0, and you should not ask what is that if, all these things, because you should have a minimum knowledge. So it is not a programming language background. I mean, a programming course. It is logic based programming. We are concentrating only on programs, not on language. Sir, at least one language must be required. But make sure that if you know at least one language, happily you can get interest to learn remaining languages. At the same time, if you are above average student, you can learn these new languages also from this session. That much easiness will be there, sir. Okay, I can give the guarantee for that. Which language will be implemented? Yes, Vishal, I told, right? Sir, we are going to implement in all the languages. Anurag Pandey. No, it is not only for fresher. Anyone, those who are to learn programming, yes, it is useful. Yes, Ramkoti, yes. C, Java, Python, 3 languages. Ahmad, dynamic programming, all the advanced concepts we are not covering. We are at the basic level only. Okay, we are not concentrating even on time complexity, space complexity, like that. Just what is their requirement, how you can able to solve. Up to fundas we are going to see. Okay. Yeah, 10 years. No problem, Rakesh. If you are already having an account on HackerRank, no issues. No. Same batch only. See, whether you are experienced candidate or not, forget about that. You need to learn something. Okay, Anurag sir, Anurag Pandey. Sir, when you will Python new batch start? Okay, I will inform you. Probably in the evening 5 o'clock we are planning, but I will let you know if any batches is there. You can view that Telegram and YouTube. There you will get notification of my new batches. Java batch and Python batch, soon it is going to start. Don't worry. What about difficulty level? Dipendra, yeah, we are going to see easy problems, medium problems, higher level problems also we are going to see. Okay. No, Ashok. No, Alok. We are not going for dynamic, all these things. I already told, right? Yeah, Alok, we are going to see those programs also, tuple, sets, the dictionary, all these things. But make sure if demands, then only we will introduce those topics. Otherwise we won't, because it is not a programming language, right? Suppose if I want to count a frequency, like hello, how many times H is repeated, how many times E is repeated. If it is the case, we need to choose one data structure, which is nothing but a dictionary. Then I will pick up the dictionary for that problem and I will explain how it will work. But as a separate dictionary topic, we won't teach, sir. Okay. Hello, Kiara. I think you got. Yeah, Nikhil, this is exercises only. We are going to practice the exercises. I will give 10 or 15 problems advance. You can practice and you can come to the next session. It is a practice session only. We will practice lively. We will take a problem. We will see what is the input, what is their expected output. All these things we are going to analyze, and then we will prepare algorithm and we are going to write the program. Everything we are doing manually, Nikhil. Yeah, Sunil, you can start from basics to advanced level. Nikhil, you are going to get videos on daily basis. Once if the class is completed, maybe half an hour or 1 hour after rendering, you can able to get the video. No, dynamic programming we are not going to cover. Collections, Durga Prasad. Yes, collections will be there. Like I told, right, whenever it is recommended, I will take. Suppose if you take, I want to remove the duplicates. So in Java, I can go for one collection, like hash set, like that. So in that case, I will introduce. But as a separate topic, we are not. Yeah, Sushil, we are not going to cover dynamic programming. Yeah, no problem. Akshay, it will be very helpful for you. No worries. Yeah, Ahmad. We are going to see the difficult programs also. This batch is for everyone, sir. Those who want to learn programming, this batch will be very helpful. Not for a fresher or experienced. No data structures. Data structures won't be included here. Yeah, advanced DSA. Yeah, definitely. Look. Yeah, definitely. If time permits, we will launch. Yes, probably it will be uploaded within the same day itself. Yes, definitely it will be useful for experienced person also. Experienced people means if you want to move from one organization to another organization where coding is important, I want to go for a coding domain, like I want to build the projects, like I want to do coding, okay sir, debugging, like wherever coding is there, it is highly recommended to learn this so that you can increase your logical thinking. Okay. Yeah, Gunashekar, yes, you can join. As a beginner, you can enjoy these sessions. Clear? I think all your doubts got clarified. Sir, any doubts? Please confirm. If no doubts, we can move. Rakesh, we are not going to cover a stack data structure separately. In my program, parenthesis balancing is there. For that, compulsory, we have to take the help of stack. There, we will introduce stack. Okay. Q also we are going to introduce, but as a separate topic, we won't teach. Okay. Logical course for advanced Java concepts. No, sir. No, sir. Oops concepts won't be covered in this. Trig of no. Yeah. Oops concepts won't be there because those are project building concepts, not problem solving. Okay. course we can, but something related to theory. Yeah. Yes, I told, right? You need to contact this two number. You can contact now itself. So contact to this number, make this payment, and our admin team will share the details. Okay. So you have to follow those things. Yeah, Rakesh, we will see those kind of programs also. Yeah, Anurag, sure. Almost 4 sessions or 5 sessions will be free, sir. Then after that, payment link we are going to get. Yeah, recursion problems will be there. Recursion problems will be there. Yeah, you can contact Nikhil. Contact to this number 80969696. Contact to this number. They will share each and every information. Okay. Yes. Shall we continue? Shall we continue? Yeah. Sir, please put your doubts ahead. We will discuss your doubts later. Okay. Let me go with our task. Next. Sir, here, what is our agenda? What is our daily activity? Okay, what is our daily activity? Sir, in LBP, logic based programming, what activity we are going to do? Sir, very simple. Our first activity is nothing but we are going to read the problem statement. We are going to read the problem statement very clearly. We are going to read the problem statement very clearly. Okay. Sir, after reading the problem statement, okay, 1 minute. Any one link I will show you so that you people will get some idea. 1 minute, sir. Please wait. Yeah. Sir, you can see this is nothing but one of the program challenge which we are going to discuss. Sir, LBP number 10, 10th program. Sir, we are going to read this problem statement clearly. What is a problem statement? We have to implement a program to calculate sum of digits, sum of odd digits present in the given number, and input a number we have to supply from the user. The constraint is nothing but the number should be greater than 0. Sir, what is the output? Print sum of odd digits. Suppose if the given number is 123, in this which are odd digits, sir? 1 and then 3. 2 is not a odd digit, so 1 plus 3 is nothing but 4. They have given input and output also. Sir, just we have to fill that gap, that's all. How many people submitted this code? 16 people. Max score is 1, difficulty level is nothing but medium. Okay. Now, sir, sample test case 2 is also there. 101, odd numbers is nothing but 1 and then 1. So 1 plus 1 is nothing but 2. Right? Sir, you will be having a panel. Here you have to implement in C language. If you want, you can go. Sir, in C++, if you want, you can implement in C++. Sir, if you want Java, you can implement in Java. If you want in Python, you can implement in Python. After typing the code, just you need to run for checking purpose. If everything is clear, you can submit the code. Sir, like what is our first step, sir? We have to read the problem statement. Then we are going to divide the problem. Okay, we are going to dividing the problem. So what is our requirement? If problem is very big, then it will be useful. If it is a small chota program, no need to divide the problem, directly we can implement. Then we have to find the logic to solve the problem. Okay, to logic to solve the problem. Sir, in the previous program, if you see in the previous program, what is the logic, sir? What is the logic, sir? Just we have to read. Okay, we have to read a number num from the user, next what we have to do, sir? Divide that number into digits. Okay, then what is the third step, sir? Check whether, okay, check whether that digit is odd or not. Sir, if odd, then add to sum, else ignore. Sir, finally, what is our requirement? We have to print the sum. Sir, let me read this problem statement one by one. Suppose, assume I have given the number called 1 2 3 4 5. What is the first step? Read the number. Yes, assume this is the number. What is the second step? Divide that number into digits. So 1 2 3 4 5, like this I divided. We have to write a loop to get these digits. Check whether that digit is odd or not. Sir, first one, is it odd? Yes, sir. If odd, then add it to sum. Initially sum is equal to 0, add this 1. Sir, 0 plus 1 will become 1. Is 2 is odd? No, ignore that. Is 3 is odd? Yes, add to that. 3 plus 1 will become 4. Is 4 is odd? No, ignore this. 5 is odd? Yes, add it to that. 9. Sir, after reading all the data, print the value of sum. Sum is nothing but 9. That's all. That we have to do, sir. Next, once if analysis is completed, we have to implement the problem. You have to implement the program in C language. Sir, I will explain in all the languages. And we have to implement the program in Java. And sir, we have to implement the program, sir, in Python. You need to solve this problem in all these cases. Okay, sir, implementing the problem in Python will become very easy, sir. Implementing the problem in Python will become very easy. Sir, we can write single line code for this. Okay, I can write single line code for this. Let us see, sir, how I can write single line code for this. Okay, I will write here. Observe carefully. Sir, we can write single line. Sir, how you can write? Sir, very simple. Int of, okay, 1 minute. So list of input, then sir, int of I, for each I in input. Sir, if I percentage, sir, int of I percentage 2 is not equal to 0, then you have to select that, and you need to find out the sum of this, and you need to print the value. Sir, don't ask how it is going to work. I will explain as a programmatic scenario in upcoming sessions. This is the way for this problem. Sir, how easily we can solve? Only single line code we have to write. Okay, this is nothing but what we have. Okay, and finally you need to, sir, run the program. You have to run the program for compilation errors. If no compilation error, then we have to submit. We have to submit the program, okay, for final approval. Okay, so once if it is a success, then you are going to get 1 point. Once if it is a success, then you are going to get 1 point. Okay, this is nothing but how you are going to solve the problem. Sir, is it clear for you people? Please confirm. Yeah, so like this we are going to solve. Okay, I hope it is very clear, right? Yes, sir, that's all about this demo session. Sir, tomorrow just we need to go with the basics, like I want to explain how to write C++, Java, and Python programs. Basics, like I will take some 3 to 4 programs and then I will explain. Okay. Difficulty level in the program, in the sense I am not getting. Sir, here it is beginner, from beginner level to advanced level it will take, but at the initial problems itself you can't expect the difficulty level. Definitely around some 20 to 30 difficult problems you can expect, Sushil, but not all difficult problems. Again I am telling, sir, the persons who want to learn from the scratch, sir, I don't know anything about program, I want to practice and I need to learn coding. Yes, definitely it is very helpful for you people. Okay. At the first stage itself, I won't go for the big programs. Slowly I will divide the problem, I will explain pieces by pieces. Okay. Yeah. And 1 minute I will show you the syllabus. Just a tentative syllabus is there with me. 1 minute. Yes. Syllabus in the sense nothing, sir. All kind of programs you are going to get. This is nothing but the syllabus. So starting first program is even or odd, like wired, leap year, e-commerce, next number, free coffee cups, extract the digits, sum of the digits, duck number, palindrome. Sir, something related to the numbers almost we have. Then on the string we are going to have some problems, and then almost up to 100 we will get the programs on numbers and strings. Then we are going to get the programs on arrays. Okay, complete programs on arrays. Almost 200 programs you are going to get on arrays. And then we are going to get the problems on matrices. Around 50 problems you are going to get on matrices. Then from 300 onwards, the problems which are asked in the previous interviews you are going to get. This is nothing but the syllabus what we have. Okay. Yes, sir, tomorrow we will meet for the continuation. Again tomorrow I will explain this at top level for a few minutes, and then we are going to cover C, C++, Java and Python programs for displaying some message on the screen, similarly to read the number and to write the number, and similarly for performing addition operation. Like I will take some 3 to 4 programs in all the languages. Okay. Yeah, I told already, collection as a part of our program I will take, sir. Yeah, definitely. Hassan, whatever company names you have posted on the chat window, the same company previous papers also we are covering. Hassan, okay. Whatever company names you have posted, that will be there in our regular sessions also. I mean, previous programs. The session timings already I intimated, right? The session timings are from 8:30 to 9:30 p.m. daily, except on weekends. Ahmad, minimum 1 hour practice must be required. See, whatever problems I am explaining, without seeing the solution, you need to practice one more time in your home. Yeah, same link only, Rakesh. Pattern programs, Monica, we are going to spend a separate session on that. Those programs are not included in this, but definitely we will see almost 100 programs on patterns that will be covered as a part of workshop. Okay. Clear? So hope all your doubts got clarified, right? Yeah, video record we will provide. So this session will be uploaded in the YouTube. First 3 to 4 days sessions will be there in the YouTube. Once if you register, you will get from day one class notes and then video recording. Okay. Yeah, sir, thank you. We will meet for the continuation tomorrow. I already told 6 months access will be there. Yeah, thank you so much for attending the demo session. We will meet for the continuation tomorrow. Okay. Yeah, thank you guys. Good night. Good evening, friends. Welcome to Durga Soft online training. Myself, K. Prakash Babu, having 12 years of experience in various technologies. Okay, sir. Here we are starting a new logic-based programming. Okay, sir. We are starting a new logic-based programming batch. Okay, sir, with 350 plus programs, sorry, 300 plus programs. But for this batch I promised 350 programs we are going to cover in C, Java and Python. So the implementation for this problem will be covered in all these three languages. Like for every program solution I am going to explain in C as well as Java, in Python. Then let me give some brief introduction about the course and what we have discussed in the last video. Okay, sir, this is the second class. Okay, and from I mean tomorrow and the day after tomorrow we don't have any session. Again the next session will be on 27th Monday evening as usual, 8:30 to 9:30. From Monday we are going to start explaining the programs for you people, and the course is nothing but LBP 5. This is the fifth batch, sir. And the duration of the course is nothing but 3 months we are going to spend to discuss these 350 programs, and make sure that you people have to available in this time period, that is 8:30 to 9:30 daily. We are going to discuss problems. Monday to Friday sessions will be there, but if time situation, based on the time and based on the coverage of syllabus, we will take 1 or 2 sessions on Saturday and Sunday. Next, the fees for this course is nothing but rupees 1500 Indian currency, and you have to register for this course by contacting to this number. The number is nothing but 8096 969696. Please contact to this number and ask for payment link. They will say share the payment link. With that you have to pay and you need to get registered. So after registration you are going to get running notes and videos and regular class updates through mail. Okay, and what benefits you are going to get? As usual, sir, whenever you are joining a course in our Durgasoft, we will provide running notes on daily basis. Once if the class is completed, I am going to upload that running notes in a Google Drive link where you can receive. Sir, in the same manner I am going to upload even the video recording also. Video recording also we are going to provide. Then sir, there will be some free workshops will be organized by myself. Sir, here see we are concentrating implementations only. That is so suppose if you have a problem, how you can able to solve the problem? Coding we are going to see. But in that there may be a need of some basics, sir, like arrays, what is mean by array, strings, regular expression, recursion, okay, looping statement, patterns, all these things are required. For that we are going to plan a separate workshop only for special focusing on logic based programming batch students. Sir, you can attend these workshops freely, and videos and running notes material will be shared for you people regarding those things. So simultaneously you get the language level concepts also. And we are going to provide a hacker rank link, permanent hacker rank link we are going to provide. Sir, in that whatever new program is going to come to my database, I will upload, so that lifetime validity it is going to be there for you. So daily you can practice the programs on this hacker rank link. Okay, a separate link we are going to create for our batch. This is nothing but introduction to the course and what benefits you are going to get, and what is our daily activities. Sir, we are going to do these things daily, sir. Daily we are going to solve the problems, sir, in these 8 steps. What is the first step, sir? First we have to read the problem statement what we have, and you need to divide the problem. Suppose if the problem is very big, you need to divide that problem into individual pieces. then you have to solve that problem. Sir, how you can solve that problem? For that, you have to think the logic and you need to implement, sir. Then the implementation of the program will be there in C, and we are going to implement in Java, and we are going to implement in Python, and we have to run the program. And if there is any compilation error, it will show that error. Suppose if there is no compilation error, you can submit the program for final approval, where every program you are going to get 1 point. Sir, first I will explain one program how you can able to solve. Then I will go with the sir basics of C language, how you can able to write a message on the screen, how you can able to read the data. That part I will explain. Okay. Sir, I will take one previous batch link is there. Okay, 1 minute. Sir, I'm taking that previous batch link. Okay, logic based programming batch link I am taking. So from that I am explaining for you people. Okay. So I will take any one problem and I will try to solve for you people. Yes, sir, please confirm, is my screen is visible? Please confirm, is the hacker rank screen is visible? Yes, sir. Very good. Now, here I want to solve one problem, sir. Here I want to solve one problem. What is that a problem is nothing but let me take, sir, logic based programming number 4. Okay. Sir, here you can able to see some big problem is there. Okay, no need. That part we will take later. Let me take small program because we need to explain demo purpose, right? Yes. Yeah. So let me take one problem. Here, observe here, implement a program that takes a number as an argument. Sir, you have to read a number from the user. Okay. Sir, you have to read a number from the user, and then you need to increment the value by +1 and returns the result. Sir, you need to read a number and you have to add +1 and you have to return the result. Sir, sample test cases also they have provided, like if the input is 0, output should be 1. Sir, if input is 4, output is nothing but 5. Sir, one value we have to increment, beyond that nothing is there. Sir, I want to run this program in Java. Okay, I want to take this program in Java. Sir, how you can able to solve this problem? If you want to read the data, compulsory we have to declare an object for scanner class, because in the scanner class you can able to read data dynamically from the user based on the primitive types what you are providing. Like if you want, you can read integer value, or if you want, you can read floating point value. Sir, if you want, you can read a string value. All these things are possible. Anyway, don't worry, I will explain a program and I will explain somewhat theory related to this scanner class. Sir, I created one object. Then you need to read the number because they are asking to read a number. Sir, obj dot next int I am taking. Yes, I am reading the integer value. Then what is their duty? Sir, they are asking you need to add +1 to this number and store the result in the same number. And then, sir, you have to print the result, system.out.println of num. Like this they are asking. Sir, if you run the code, sir, first it will check is there any mistake in your program. If there is no mistake, sir, for the given possible test cases, is it returning proper result or not? It will validate internally, sir. Suppose consider I am not taking semicolon here. So what will happen? Sir, it raises a error message saying, sir, something semicolon is missing. Like you need to solve this problem by your own. Okay, suppose consider instead of n plus 1, sorry, instead of number plus 1, I am taking number minus 1. Sir, there is no error in the program, but the problem is, sir, you have not solved properly for the given input and output. Then you are going to get into mark like this. Sir, your code did not pass this test case because your input is nothing but 0. Sir, whatever your program is returning is nothing but minus 1, but my expected answer is nothing but 11. Sir, for test case 2 also, the input is 4, your output is 3, but expected output is nothing but 5, right? Like this it has to be verified. So in such cases, what we have to do, you need to do like this. Okay, anyway, for this we have one special operator is there in Java, which is nothing but plus plus, which is called as increment operator. Now I am running. Yes, working properly, and you can submit the code for final test cases. Okay, sir, public test cases only 4, private test cases almost 6 test cases are there. You can able to see here, sir, all the test cases are passed, your status is accepted, and how much score I got, sir? 1 point. Like this, a fresh link I am going to provide for you people. Sir, you can see the remaining students position also here. Okay, you can see the remaining students position, sir, who are doing this program. Like this, sir, you can practice, right? What are those test cases, Saho? Is these test cases are hidden. These test cases are hidden. Only public test cases I am going to reveal. Remaining things, sir, if I am displaying output, input and output, you can able to solve the problem. But you need to solve the problem by reading this problem statement and whatever input output formats they have given and whatever constraints you have. Sir, based on that, you have to provide implementation. Forget about the test cases, private test cases. It won't be visible for you. Even in the company coding challenges also, they are going to provide a platform like this where you have to type the program. Minimum 10 test cases will be there. If you secure more than 6 test cases, if you are passing for the program, yes, you are eligible for the next round. In Wipro, okay, they are going to give 3 programs. In these 3 programs, you have to solve minimum 2 programs in the coding round. Sir, for those 2 programs, first program 10 test cases, second program 10 test cases, minimum 6 will be there for one, and other program 7. Suppose if your first program is 7, second program is 6, no problem, it is accepted. Like some test cases also, minimum these many test cases you have to pass. Like this, there are some constraint. Some company people are going to conduct, sir, not some, maximum company people are going to conduct coding challenges in this scenario only. That is the reason why we are introducing these type of coding challenges for the students. Okay, sir, you can see one more program just for your reference purpose. Sir, implement a program to calculate a sum of odd digits present in the given number. Sir, I want to solve this problem by using C. Okay, how you can able to solve this problem? First, we have to read a number called n, and a digit must be required. Sum you have to calculate. Sir, now by using scanf statement, you can read a data from the user. You know very well. Okay, then, sir, while initially sum is equal to 0, sir, while until your n value is not equal to 0. Sir, don't worry, just for demo purpose I am explaining for you. Please don't worry. Okay, please don't worry. Now n is not equal to 0. Sir, I am taking digit is equal to n percentage 10. Then, sir, you have to check the condition whether your digit is odd digit or not. If it is the odd digit, what we have to do? Sir, sum is equal to sum plus d we have to take. Then n is equal to n by 10 we are taking. That's all. Finally, you have to print the result. Don't worry, I will explain in detail about this in our programs. Like with the diagram, I will explain, because calculating sum of the digits is a very, very important program. Even in future also, we are going to see these type of programs in matrices, and even in arrays. That is the reason, sir, you need to learn very clearly in the beginning sessions itself. Okay. Next, if you run the program, it is going to run against public test cases. Yes, both public test cases are passed. Now you need to submit the code for final test cases. Yes, I think all the final test cases are satisfied. This is the way how you can able to solve this problem by using C language implementation. Like this, for every problem, you can able to expect a C language code, you can able to expect a Java code, you can able to expect a Python code for every problem. Okay. So even if I am giving any homework for you people, definitely I will do as a part of my duty. Okay. Then, sir, after completion of these, I'm going to copy paste the program, whatever we have done. You can maintain this reference document, sir, even in your future also. Just you can search for the program, and that program code will be there for you. Okay, sir, it will be very useful when you are going for any coding round. Just half an hour or 1 hour you can refer this document. If time permits, you can take printout also, sir. Okay. Yeah, sir, I think how you can able to solve the problem in hacker rank, the mode, the approach what we are going to follow, sir, I think it is very clear for you people, right? Sir, forget about coding, definitely I will explain, it is my duty. Okay. Yes, sir, up to this, do you have any doubts? Please confirm. Yeah, morning it is not possible to take the batch. This batch is specifically from 8:30 to 9:30, sometimes 9:45, like that. And payment details are shared in our chat window. Please look into it and try to register as early as possible. Okay. No, 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 no. Yeah, you can contact to this number. I already told, right? You can contact to that number, 8096969696. They will provide the details. Or you can send to durgasoftonline@gmail.com. Yeah, Akshay, at the beginning level, today that is a task. How to print a message on the screen, how to read the data from the user. That part only I'm explaining in today's section. Okay, so we are not entering into the actual challenges because basics is important. At least whatever concepts we are using in our program, at least you should have a minimum knowledge. That's why, sir, as a part of that, we will see how to interact with reading and writing, IO operations. That part we are going to discuss now. Akshay, don't worry. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, this timing was fixed, sir. It is not possible to change because some other sessions are there for me from 7 to 8:30. Okay. Yeah. Programming topic, Mayank Kumar. We are going to cover all these areas like programs on numbers, programs on strings, especially programs on arrays, programs on matrices. Okay, all this area we are going to touch. Only on arrays we have almost 50 to, if not 50, 70 to 80 programs are there. Okay. Data structures we are not covering. I already told data structures is not there in this. For data structure, a separate batch will be there. You can join for that. because here we are concentrating on problem solving. Okay. No, there is no morning batch. DS problems, if I already told in the last class itself. So if any, suppose if I am taking any program, somewhere I want to introduce a queue concept, then we will take that queue concept and we will implement here. Okay. But we are not going to cover that queue data structure in detail in our course. Are you getting my point? So if anything is required, we will bring that into our concepts, but that complete concept we are not moving. Something like we are going to embed that concept in our program, but that part we are not going to cover as a separate topic. That's what I'm explaining. Sir, data structures, if demand, here we will use that data structure. But program to implement stack data structure, queue data structure, you can't expect such type of programs from here. Okay. Because it is related to the problem solving, not theoretical concepts. Okay. Yeah, sorting technique will be there. See, if I have a elements, they will ask us to sort the elements in different genres. Okay. But you can apply any algorithm. We have almost 6 to 7 types are there, efficient techniques like merge sort, quick sort, bubble sort, selection sort, insertion sort, like that. You can apply any sorting technique, but all these sorting techniques final output is the same, right? So that point we are covering here. You can implement in any sorting technique. Okay. Yeah, Python batch, you can expect maybe in the first week of January, evening times. Yes, we are going to plan that batch also. Yeah. Yes, sir, remaining doubts we will discuss later. Sir, let me continue our content now. Sir, what is today's agenda is nothing but, sir, first I want to explain some programs for you people, sir. I want to explain some programs for you people. Okay. Let us see what is that. Sir, please ask relevant doubts. Okay. Django, all these things not required here. So you can able to see our Telegram group is there. In that you can expect all my batches. Okay. Sir, Java by K Prakash Babu sir, or Python by K Prakash Babu sir. Sir, you can able to expect these courses from my side. Java is there. Sir, Python is there. Okay. Then this logic based programming is there. Okay. And moreover, sir, full stack. Okay. Sir, full stack Java developer batch is there. Okay. And then, sir, core and advanced Java, sir, both package batches are there. So from my side. Okay. So this full stack Java developer batch is going to start on 29th. Sir, 29th December 2021, sir, at morning 8 o'clock. Okay. So the link is already there in our Telegram group. You can check it. Okay. Similarly, sir, Python batch date is not yet announced, but it will be in the, sir, first week of January, sir, 2022. Maybe in the evening times you can expect. And in the same slot, you can expect one Java batch also. Java batch in the sense core and advanced Java. Okay, same. Maybe in the first week or second week of Jan 2022. Same in the evening timings only. These are my upcoming batch details. Okay, if anyone interested, yeah, you can. Thank you. Now, sir, let me go for first I want to talk about output statement, sir. If I want to print any output on the screen, sir, how you are going to print? In C language, sir, we have one statement is there with name, sir, printf. Maybe you know about this printf. You can take a message here, sir, which is going to print that message on the screen. Okay. Similarly, in C++, sir, we have C out is there. Sir, we have to take a message here. That message will be printed on the screen. Sir, I will take a message here. Welcome is nothing but my message. Here also, welcome is nothing but my message. Then, sir, how you are going to print the message on Java? In Java, we have different approaches are there. First thing, system.out.println welcome we can use like this. Sir, next one is nothing but, sir, you can take a system.out.println of welcome. Like this also we can print. Some slight changes will be there. That part as while explaining the program itself, I will take, sir. Then system.out.printf also we can take. Sir, do you know it is similar to this one? How your C language printf is using, same printf they have provided in Java also. Next, sir, what about Python? Sir, in Python directly we have print. Sir, you can take the message, even semicolon is not required. Python is a dead easy programming language. Sir, these are nothing but statements what we have. And please wait for another 5 to 10 minutes. Sir, I am going to explain the complete concept for you people with examples. Sir, first example, write a C program to print, sir, welcome to C language. Okay, on the screen. I want to print this message on the screen. For this requirement, I have to write the program. And the same program I am going to take for C++ also. But I need to print on C++. Here I want to print on Java. Here I want to print on Python. This is nothing but my requirement. I want to solve this problem. Write a C++ program, okay, or write CPP program, write a Java program, write a Python program. Sir, first let me start about C language. Sir, I want to write a program to print simple welcome to C language message on the screen. Sir, for this purpose, I am going for one online editor, sir. One online compiler is there with me. What is that online compiler? Is nothing but Jodel website. Sir, you can practice the programs even in your mobile also. Sir, it is an online compiler which is providing 76 languages support with two databases also. Okay, it is an online compiler and editor. Sir, these are nothing but various programming languages what they have. But in these, what is our requirements are? You need to go with Java. Sir, you need to go with C, and you have to go with C++, and you have to go with sir, Java and Python. Where is my Java? Where is my Python? Python 3 is there. Sir, Java somewhere it will be available. Yeah. First here itself we have. So now I want to solve the problem in C language, right? Let me open C editor. This is nothing but the compiler what we have. Sir, here you have to type the program here, and you have to click the execute button. And if your program demands any input, you need to type here, and it is expecting results will be printed on this black screen. This is nothing but the functionality of this Jodel. Don't worry, sir, I will explain how we are going to work. But anyway, in our course, all these things automatically done. Just you need to write the code and you need to click on execute. Inputs already I supplied, output already I have given. So no need to take by ourselves. Right? Now I'm going to write the program. What is the first step? Hash include. Sir, if you want to work with printf, so what we have to do? Sir, someone have to write the instructions for printf function. Sir, printf function is going to be done like this. Then you need to do some activity for this purpose. That activities are already stored in the library format. Like if you want to send a message in WhatsApp, sir, I want to send a good night symbol followed by some sweet dreams. Okay, and I want to send a smiley symbol. Sir, if you want to use a smiley symbol in your WhatsApp, sir, some library should be there. In that library, every smiley is registered there. Sir, our WhatsApp is automatically importing that library and it is working. Suppose maybe in your library you have 10 emojis are there, 10 smiley symbols are there. Maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow, you can expect 5 more new smileys that will be added once if you perform update operation. Like if you want to perform any activity repeatedly, sir, the data will be available in the form of library. The data will be available in the form of library. Sir, from that you can able to extract. Okay. Sir, just 1 minute. Please wait 1 minute. Yes, sorry. Sir, this is nothing but ash include. What is the header file name, sir? stdio.h we have to take. Next and after that, integer main. Sir, main method we have to take. Main method is nothing but a starting point of each and every program. Whether you are writing Java program or C++ program or Python program, any program you can take. Sir, where the program execution is going to start, sir? From main method only. Then I am taking already, printf. Sir, I want to take a message called welcome to C language like this. I want to print a message like this. Sir, just you need to click on which button? Execute button. So what will happen? Whatever message you have taken here, sir, it will be printed on the output screen, right? So printf is nothing but a function which is used to print the data to the console. Even in our further sessions, if you want to implement the program, finally whatever result you got, you need to print that result on the screen, right? For that we required which function, sir? Printf function. Sir, I think it is very clear. Now I will take another program. Like, sir, I want to do the same activity, sir, but by using which programming language? C++. Sir, the concept is the same, just the programming language is going to change. Now I am taking C++. Now I am taking C++. Sir, what we have to do here? Sir, you need to write the code again. Sir, ash include. Here IO stream you have to take. Don't take .h because C++ supports everything in the form of streams. That's why I am taking ash include IO stream. Then, sir, using namespace std. Sir, it is related to the packages encapsulation techniques. Forget about that, it is not in our scope now, but remember this word you have to take. Then this main method is also returning integer value, integer main method, and here you need to take a C out, and I am printing, sir, welcome to, okay, welcome to C++ programming, welcome to C++ programming, like this I am taking. That's all. Now just you need to click on execute button. Automatically your code is going to execute and you are going to get output here. Excellent. Sir, I know how to display a simple message in, sir, C language and C++. Sir, what about Java? I told already, in Java a big skeleton we have to take, sir. A big skeleton we have to take. Of course, so much security is there, but remember, a big skeleton we have to take. Sir, I will explain step by step. at least some extent you can able to get. Sir, first we have to take public class, any class name you can take. Assume I am taking class name as a demo, class name as a demo. Sir, why you are taking that demo class as a public? Because you are executing the program in your mission, but the compilers, all these libraries are there in Joodle server somewhere in the world. It will be available, so you need to send your data from here to there. That's why we are using public. Sir, these online compilers for learning purpose, not for real-time environment. Okay, real-time environment you need to install, you have to run, and you have to create jar files, war files, executable files, and you need to deploy that in your client mission. But as of now, it is not required, just for practice. That's why public class demo. The syntax of main method in general we are taking main, right? But sir, in Python, sir, in Java, this method is nothing but a public, sir, static void main string array args. Like this we have to take. Sir, don't worry about main method also, we are going to cover one workshop. If you attend that workshop, the complete story about this main method you can able to get, sir. That's all, beyond that nothing. Sir, now system dot out dot, I told several functionalities are there, but regularly we are going to use welcome, sorry, println welcome to, sir, Java I am printing. That's all. Once if you click on execute button, sir, you are going to execute the program, and that result will be displayed on the screen here. Yes, this is nothing but how you can able to solve the program in, I mean, print the message in Java. Sir, my favorite programming language, Python. Python. Okay. Sir, do you know Python is the most popular programming language nowadays? Sir, I want to show you one small syllabus for you, Python syllabus. Sir, you can see input and output statements are there. Sir, in how many ways you can accept the data from console is nothing but input function is there, and the typecasting and the eval function is there. But print, in how many forms that print function is available, sir? 10 forms are there. In 10 formats you can use that print statement. So an intelligent programming language is nothing but Python. Sir, do you know such a powerful programming language is Python? Sir, don't worry, sir, you will get the flavor of Python in our upcoming sessions. Okay, sir, I want to print welcome to Python on the screen. Very simple, sir. A single line code, main method, all these things are not required, because Python supports different approaches, sir. So by using Python you can implement scripting language, and you can write functional programming, and you can write object oriented programming, you can write modular programming, modularity programming. Sir, like n number of approaches are there, but anyway, preferably we are going to depends on this scripting and functional for solving the problems. But to do the big projects we need object oriented principles, all these things. Sir, just I want to write a simple script. If you want to write a script, print of welcome to, sir, my favorite programming, okay, which is nothing but Python. Like this I am taking. Okay, just click on execute. Sir, it is going to print like this. Okay, sir, have a look once how easy it is, right? This is nothing but various ways to print a message on the screen. Okay, this is nothing but a beautiful technology which we have, online editors. Sir, just I explained only one activity till now. What is that activity? Sir, in our logic based programming, whenever we are doing program, you are going to accept the data from the user, and you will manipulate with the data. Finally you are going to store the data in some result variable. That result variable you have to print on the screen. Definitely for that purpose you required some statement, which is nothing but output statement. In C language, sir, how you can able to use output statement? In C++, how you can able to use output statement? Sir, in Java, how you can able to use? In Python, how you can able to use? I think it is very clear for you people. Sir, do you have any doubts up to this? Please confirm, friends. Do you have any doubts up to this? Please confirm, friends. Yes, this is nothing but today's session. Okay, and of course I'm going to speed up from Monday. Sir, Monday our agenda is nothing but how you can able to accept input from the user. Okay, how you can able to accept input from the user. So like output statements we have in C++ and Java, Python, right? In the same way, how you can able to read the data from the user. I will explain almost 30 to 40 minutes we are going to spend on this, and then we will see some basic one or two programs also. And then after completion of this, sir, we are going to enter into the first challenge. I'm going to explain on Monday, which is nothing but LBP1. Okay, and from Tuesday slowly, because admissions has to be happen, right? Slowly one by one we are going to see two programs one day, three programs one day, two programs one day, three programs, four programs, like that. So 2 to 3 days probably the demos will end at Tuesday or Wednesday. Then we will full-fledgedly starts from so 29th or 30th, like that. Okay, yeah. Once if the class is regularized, we are going to get a new link. With that we can spend much time and we can interact happily. So whatever doubts we are getting, sir, I am not understanding, I will repeat one or two times. See, we must very strong at the basic level. If you are strong at basic level, rest of the things will become very easy, right? It is very simple. Sir, if you are writing addition of two numbers program very perfectly, sir, changing of the symbol only, right? For the next programs, like that here also. Once if you understand the flavor of one program, related programs, even no need to explain by myself, directly you can able to solve by yourself, right? So like that we will plan. Okay, how long these classes, how long is the class, days or months? Yes, definitely it requires minimum, sorry, not minimum, max 3 months, sir. Max 3 months we can able to solve. Okay, uh yeah, in C++ also we can able to solve the problems, but I am not going to cover in C++, sir. I am concentrating on C, Python, and then Java. See why I am going for Python and Java. Actually, we prepared to start this batch only for Java and Python, because in Java and Python we have so many predefined libraries are there. Using that happily we can solve the problem. But in the student point of view, sir, they must understand from where that predefined functions came, like how it is functioning in the background. For that purpose we have inserted this C language coding also. So from the C you can get the complete concept. Then how you can able to provide implementation from Java and Python, you can learn. Okay, in Python parentheses are compulsory. Yeah, Rakesh, it is varied from version to version. In Python 2 it is not required, but we are in the Python 3. Python 2 days are gone. So last year itself Python validity is completed. Now we are in Python 3. Compulsory we have to use parentheses. Okay, Rakesh. Yes, the sessions are recorded sessions only. Akshay, no, today is not the last demo. Maybe Monday, Tuesday we will plan, then it will be. But make sure every person has to be registered, because so running notes, videos, and at the time of ending, okay, you may not receive proper mails because our admin team will be very busy. Okay, yeah. Sir, tomorrow there is no class. Sir, next class will be on Monday. Okay, next class is on Monday. Next class is on Monday. Okay, next class is on Monday. Tomorrow there is no class. Next class is on Monday as usual at 8:30. From Monday we are going to provide running notes, videos, all these things in the live session itself. Okay, I request everyone, those who have not yet registered, please register by today or Monday. Okay, from Monday we will rock. Yeah, sir, any doubts please let me know. Yeah, Nikhil, you can share that receipt to the same number, whatever I have given, 8096 969696. To that you can send by using WhatsApp, or you can send to durgasoftonlinetraining@gmail.com. No, 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 no. All these questions are not there. Rajan. No, this link is a demo link, sir. Rakesh. This link is demo link. Once if the demo is completed, we are going to share a new link. Okay. Sir, that link is a permanent. Okay. That link is nothing but permanent. Till our end of our course, only one link. But this is not that link because it is a demo session link. Okay. Yeah. Sir, hope all your doubts got clarified, it seems. Okay. Sir, thank you. We will meet for the continuation on Monday. From Monday, just 5 to 10 minutes revision will be there. From that, we will continue. Okay. Yeah. Sir, thank you, friends. Good night. Have a nice day. Good evening, friends. Welcome to Durgasoft online training. Welcome to Durgasoft online training. Myself, K. Prakash Babu, having 12 years of experience. Okay. And sir, we are going to launch a new batch on logic based programming. Sir, the title itself is giving that much kick. Logic based programming. Almost 300 plus programs are there in our thumbnail, but we are going to see 350 programs. Pakka 350 programs we are going to discuss. And that 350 programs implementation will be there in C language as well as in Java as well as in Python. Almost you will get 1,000 programs, sir. These 1,000 programs, if you learn, then you will become king in the coding area. Then let me discuss a few minutes about this course. This course is nothing but LBP 5, logic based programming, 5th batch. Successfully, sir, we completed 2 batches, and 3rd batch, 4th batch is on running. This is nothing but 5th batch. The duration of the course is nothing but 3 months. Sir, we are going to start almost today. We are going to start this course. Sir, if you forgot this December, Jan, Feb, March. At March ending, we are going to wind up this batch. And the timings of this batch is nothing but 8:30 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. We are going to take everyday session from Monday to Friday. Sir, Saturday and Sunday, there won't be any session. But occasionally, if I required any concept, suppose if you take some regular expressions, we are going to solve some problems by using regular expressions. In that regular expression concept must be required for you. Sir, it can't be included in the syllabus, right? In such cases, I will take some special classes. Like on Saturday, 1.5 hours or 2 hours only on regular expression in Python and Java. So if you attend those free sessions, what will happen? You will get the idea about how you can able to solve the problems, where we have to use regular expressions, where we have to use lambda functions, all these things. That part will be covered in extra sessions, not in the regular sessions. And the fees for this course is nothing but 1,500. Okay, remember carefully, the fees is nothing but 1,500. You need to make a payment for registering this particular class. Mostly today and tomorrow will be the last demo sessions, because 2 videos we completed. This is the third video. Okay, and for registration purpose or for inquiry purpose, for anything, you can feel free to contact 8096 969696. To this number you have to contact. Next, and after that, sir, what benefits we are going to get once if I am attending to your session?
Very simple. Sir, at top level, I have given 4 points. What is the first point? Running notes will be updated on the daily basis. Once if the class is completed, so on the live itself, I will update the running notes so that before sleeping, you can review that running notes. Okay, video recording also will be updated. Sir, you can able to view that video up to 6 months validity. And we are going to conduct some free workshop only for based on LBP batches, that is logic based programming batches. Because sir, we have to learn some extra information if you want to solve the coding. I told already, so we are solving the problems in C language, Java and Python. Means compulsory you should have a minimum knowledge on sir C language, Java and Python. So for that, if anywhere input is required, that we can able to cover on this free workshop. Okay, then sir, one more thing, sir, the validity of this hacker rank is nothing but lifetime. We are going to post all these 350 programs, sir, in a hacker rank link. We created a separate link yesterday for our new LBP 5 batch. Sir, that link will be shared for you people, sir, after completion of these demo sessions. So using that link, sir, you can able to practice the programs. Using that link, you can able to practice that programs, and even I will explain these programs by using that link only. That is nothing but what benefits you are going to get. And every time, sir, what activity we are going to do in this logic based programming classes. Sir, for every program, we will do these 8 steps. What is the first step? We have to read the problem statement. Maybe sometimes the problem statement may be very small. Sometimes the problem statement may be very big. So we have to read the problem statement first of all. Sir, I will show you one easy problem statement, one medium problem statement, even one difficult problem statement also. Okay, sir, let me take one simple problem I am going to take. Sir, have a look once. Just I am showing LBP number 172. Like this, we have one problem. What is a problem? Oddly even. Sir, given a maximum of 100-digit number as a input, they are going to supply maximum 100-digit number as a input. Find the difference between sum of odd and sum of even position digits. Okay, suppose if the given number is, sir, 1 2 3 4 5. What is the first requirement? Difference between sum of odd and sum of even positions. Sir, it is there in 0th position, first position, second position, third position, fourth position. All even positions means 1 plus, sir, 3 plus, okay, 5, right? Sir, we are going to get 9. Odd positions means, sir, 2 plus 4, which will give 6. The difference between this one, 9 minus 6. What is the result? 3 is nothing but our output. Sir, like this, we have to, whatever I explained the logic in the diagram, we have to convert it into programmatic manner. Sir, it is a very easy program only, right? Now, let me take another program. Sir, I have this one. So I have this one. What is this one? Sir, Beautify Me. The cosmetic company Beautify Me wishes to know the alphabetic product code. The alphabetic product code from the product barcode. They have product barcode is there. From that, they want to know what is the alphabetic product code. The barcode of the product is a numeric value, and the alphabetic product is a string value tagged from A to J. So we have barcode is there which contains numbers. Sir, we have product code is there which contains alphabetic numbers from A to J. The alphabetic range A to J represent the numeric range 0 to 9. Sir, to produce the alphabetic product code, each digit in the numeric barcode is replaced with the corresponding matching letters. Write an algorithm to display alphabetic product code for the given numeric barcode. Here input will be like this. For example, sir, 1023. or 10231 like this. This is nothing but barcode which is there on the product. Sir, what is its product code? They told 0 to 9 digits will be there. Sir, each and everything is represented by A to J. 0 is represented like A, 1 is represented with B, sir, 2 is represented with C, 3 is represented with D, 1 is represented with B. This is nothing but the product code. Like this we have to implement the program, sir. Like this we have to implement the program. Okay, sir, I hope you can able to see the difficulty level also. Some online game, sales report, sir, maximum energy in the science lab, update every element. Like this we have how many problems, sir? Almost 325 problems we have. Okay, 325 problems we have. So as of now, but anyway, I will cover for you people up to how many values, how many programs? 350 programs. Okay, sir, these genre programs minimum 5 to 6 times we are going to cover. Okay, Jack Party, sir, Mr. Thomas mathematician, so third largest and second smallest, sir, colony of 8 cells. Actually this was asked in the previous interviews almost 15 days back. I collected from one of my resource and then I placed. Like this we are going to discuss even previous interview questions also, and we are going to divide the problem. Suppose if the problem is very big and we need to analyze the logic for solving this problem. Sir, I want to solve that problem. How you can able to solve? Sir, for that we have to analyze the logic, right? That analysis also we are going to do in this only. Then we will take the charge to implement the program in C, Java and then Python. And at very first time that program won't be correct, right? Sir, we have to check is there any syntactical mistakes or not. If everything is correct, then you have to submit the program. So for every final program submission you will get 1 point which decides your score. So total 350 programs means how many points will be there? 350. At least I am expecting 300 plus points from you. Make sure that you should not copy paste the programs. Whatever programs I am explaining, listen 1 or 2 times and the same thing you have to code it on our HackerRank link. Okay, sir, you can able to compete with others also. Even if you copy paste it will work, but it won't be useful as a learner. It will be very recommended once if the class is completed, please maintain a separate notebook. Try to write down, sir, what logics are applied, how sir is thinking to solve this problem. Please write out in 1 or 2 pages. Then whatever solution I am giving, don't write the complete program. Try to concentrate on the logic where we are going to give the importance. That logic you have to write it, prepare 1 or 2 times. Next day morning, open your mobile or open your laptop. Already I have shared the link. Open that link. Sir, go to the coding area, type the program without seeing any logic. Try to run. If you are getting any syntactical mistake, of course you will have a knowledge on any one subject, either C or Python or Java. By using that you can rectify that problems. So even rectifying the problems, sir, there is no problem in the program, no syntax errors, but it is not providing the proper output. Kindly refer 1 or 2 times. Even if you are getting the same mistake, then open the program which is shared for you. Then you can analyze where the problem you have struck. So still if you are getting the problem, yes, happily you can message me, I will guide you. This type of interaction we will have, and we are going to continue this till our end of our batch. Like this, if you practice, definitely you will become king in the program. Of course, you know, every colleges, every universities are giving the topmost priority for coding. Topmost priority for coding. Even they are recruiting the trainers from various MNC companies or from various training institutes for training the students. Because nowadays you can see, because of this 2 years lockdown, every company is recruiting the students in the virtual mode only. Sir, they have given so much of precautionary measurements for this copying, malpracticing, all these things. Sir, if you sit on the coding round, they are going to give 3 coding questions. Sir, you should not use any paper or pen. You should not think, so you should not talk with other person. Sir, just you have to think in your mind and you have to implement the program. Okay, sir, whatever programs they have asked, so it is a very silly programs only, because the students are not having that much sir, practice over this programming. That's why, sir, we have analyzed all these statements and various requests from the students. We have started this batch, that is logic based programming, and it is highly recommended if you are a pre-final year students or final year students. Sir, 90% don't think, so join to the course, definitely you will get the job. Sir, I'm sure in my previous batch almost 15 members, they have messaged me, they have called me, so, and they have shared their experience. Sir, because of your batch, sir, we have placed so and so company. Sir, that credit not goes to either Durga Soft or myself. So we have provided a medium for you to learn and to practice. Sir, even if you attend all the sessions, you won't get job until you practice. That practice medium also we are creating for you. Definitely utilize this opportunity. It will be very helpful for you people, sir, for your career. Okay, this is the sincere suggestion what I am going to give. First point. Second point, sir, for this course compulsory minimum programming knowledge must be required. Sir, you should have either C language knowledge or Java knowledge or Python knowledge, not in detail, just up to what is what. Sir, how to read a number, how to print a number, how to perform operators, how to write if conditions. Sir, these things more than enough. Okay, sir, for this also, if more students are facing any issue, sir, we will take a session on Saturday. I will explain you how that if conditions are going to work, how that loops are going to work. Definitely I will help you, sir. Sir, this is nothing but what is our course agenda and what we are going to discuss. And let me show you the syllabus. Sir, every student is asking always syllabus. That syllabus contains, sir, every chapter, every concept will be there in that. Like you can expect, sir, string programs, arrays programs, number programs, patterns, everything. Sir, you can see these are nothing but programs what we are going to discuss. So duck number, number of occurrences, sir, up to this yes, 1 minute, up to this 100, up to this 50, we are going to see number related programs. From 51 to 100, you can see string programs. From 51 to 100, string programs. From 101 to, sir, till 200, sir, you can able to see arrays programs. And from 200 to remaining, sorry, some 2012 up to 250, you are going to get matrix programs. And from 250 to, the previously asked questions will be there. Previously asked questions will be there. Okay, this is nothing but our syllabus what we are going to discuss. Okay, sir, this is nothing but what we have discussed in the previous session. Now I request everyone, if you are having any queries, please post it on chat window so that we will discuss those queries and then we will continue. Yes, please use chat window for communication purpose. Yes, it's time for you to please post your queries. I will keep on answering. So, sir, I am the beginner. I am watching Core Java by Durga, sir. Will it helpful? Because just I started learning language. No problem. It will be very helpful, Ahmad. Yeah, Ahmad is asking one more question, sir. Should we have to code in all languages or we should code only in one language? That is up to you, but I will provide the coding in, so all the languages like C, Java, Python, I will provide the language, the coding in all these three, sir, which is very easy for you. You can pick up if you have all these languages knowledge. But if you know only C, please concentrate on C code. That will be sufficient. Okay. Yeah, no problem. You can join. Yeah, you can also ask doubts. No problem, Sushant. So meanwhile, if the session is going on, you can ask the doubts. If you have any, we will clarify that. Last day of payment, probably today and tomorrow. Tomorrow will be the last day. From Wednesday, the link is going to be changed. Anupa, for this certificate won't be there. It is a practice course, right? Sir, any doubts? Please confirm. Please let me know. Any doubts? Yeah, payment link I told already, right? In our chart window, it is there. 1 minute, I will copy paste. Someone is asking, sir, is your name is Durga or K Prakash Babu? My name is K Prakash Babu. We will get running notes as a material or any other material will be there? No, sir. You are going to get running notes as a material. It will be more than sufficient. It will be more than sufficient. Okay. Because in the running notes, I may add so many things, but in the material, you can't expect. Yeah, yeah. Okay. No problem. Yeah. Sir, hope all your doubts got clarified, right? Shushant, you can't expect questions from this, but you can expect pattern. Same kind of pattern you can expect. Okay, but maybe in the month of February, in the sense, we may cover only basics. Okay, no problem. We have to write our notepad. Yeah, edit plus is there. See, we have a link is there. In that link only, we have to practice the programs. Okay, we have hacker rank link is there. Yeah, no need to share any screenshot of payment here. Please share to 8096969696 or durgasoftonline@gmail.com. For that, you have to send. Yeah, for that company, whatever you have asked, Mohad, Jishan, whatever company name you have mentioned, sir, we have that company papers also. Don't worry. So same kind of patterns, sometimes you can expect. Shushant, exactly correct. Sir, like this, we have hacker rank links will be there. Sir, here programs will be there. Just you have to click on solve challenge and you need to read the problem statement and you have to write the code provided here. Sir, just select programming language, try to type. Select programming language, try to type. Select programming language, try to type and run the code, submit the code. We will practice here only. We will practice here only. Okay. You can compete with others. Sir, you can see how many members have submitted this code. Like that, you can compete with others also. Okay. That part we will see soon, one by one. Yeah, data structures won't be there here. Workshops, yeah, Lalita, workshops based on the topic I will introduce. Searching for a course like this. Yes, definitely it will be very helpful for you people. Shusha. Yeah. Okay, sir, let me continue. I think all your doubts got clarified. Shall we move to the next topic? Yeah, you can expect full coding, advanced coding in the month of maybe March or April. After finishing of this batch, I will immediately launch that course. Don't worry. Because so many students are asking advanced coding also. Yes, definitely. Probably I will take the problems from various advanced level coding challenges and we will try to solve. So do you know such type of problems? One day, 1 hour, one problem you can able to solve. Yeah, yeah. Jishan, we will do that. Yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Definitely. Sir, shall we continue? Please confirm. Because from the past 3 hours, we are discussing only introduction and what you can call syllabus. Shall we start? Please confirm. Yeah. Sir, in the last video I just started output statements. Okay. Yeah. My English will be simple English only. I am not that much efficient person in speaking English. Okay. Maybe some grammar mistakes will be there. No worries. It is a medium to communicate. That's all. Yeah. Sir, output statements we covered in the last video. How you can able to print output on the screen. So because whether you are doing a big program or a small program or medium program, if you are doing program, compulsory whatever you calculated, sir, you have to print on the output screen, right? For that, every programming language is providing output statements for us. In C language, the output statement which we used is nothing but printf. So within double quotations, if you are placing any string, that will be printed on the screen. Sir, first thing. Second thing, if you print C out of welcome, this is the output statement which is used in C++ programming. Similarly, sir, system.out.print we can use, or system.out.println we can use, or system.out.print. Sir, three types of print statements are available in Java. So three types of print statements available in Java. So we can use any one of the approach based on our requirement. Next, sir, Python, print of welcome. Very simple, print message, that's all. Even, sir, you can't see any semicolon at the ending also. Directly we can take. These are nothing but output statements in our known programming languages. With this help, sir, I covered four programs for you people. What is the first program I covered, sir? Write a C program to print welcome to C language on the, welcome to C, sir, on the screen. How you can able to print welcome to C language on the screen? Very simple, sir. I already told the statement, right? Just we have to include stdio.h. What is the purpose of stdio.h? The actual coding for printf. Sir, what is the functionality of printf is already defined in one library. What is the name of that library, sir? stdio.h. Once if you include that library, then happily you can use this printf. I executed and I displayed the output in the last video. Similarly, let me try. I am copying this code. Let me show you, sir, how you can able to work with that. Sir, already we have that editor is there. One minute. Sir, what is the name of the editor? I told already, it is nothing but sir, Joodle compiler. It is nothing but an online tool, sir, where you can expect, sir, so many compilers are there in this. So this is nothing but the official website. Sir, from this you can choose any programming language. Of course, we will have our own tool, but let me see some basics from this. Sir, if you want to do the program in C, let us open C editor. Sir, here we have to type the program. Just click on execute button. Whatever messages are there here, it will read and it will understand and it will display the output. Suppose if your program requires any input, you have to supply from here. Don't worry, today I will give that example also. Sir, let me click on execute button. The code is executing and we got output here. This is nothing but how you can execute C program. Sir, I want to execute C++ program. Already the program I have taken. Write a C++ program to print welcome to C++ on the screen. Sir, #include. For this one stream you have to include. What is that stream, sir? IO stream. Okay. And cout welcome to C++ programming. Just if you click execute, what will happen? The code is going to be executed. Sir, similar to this, I want to take it in Java also. Sir, how you can able to solve this problem in Java? Just copy this code and you have to paste here. Of course, maybe I am expecting you have at least minimum knowledge in Java. Sir, public class. What is the class name that I have taken? Demo. public static void main. This is the syntax of main method in Java. Of course we are going to discuss this one also in one special class. Okay, sir, system dot out dot println of we have welcome to Java is there. Just if you click on execute button, sir, what happens, it will print that welcome to Java on the screen, right? Sir, next I want to go with my phone, my favorite programming language, which is nothing but Python. Sir, in Python it is very simple. Just we have to write only single line code. Sir, main method, all this nonsense are not required, because it is the very easiest programming language in the entire world. Okay, sir, if you are writing any instructions in Python, definitely you will get interest to learn that programming language itself. That much efficiency, sir, will be there in our Python. Even, sir, in our LBP 1 and 2, almost 50% students got converted to my Python batch. Okay, trust me, really it happened. Okay, so that much easiness will be there in Python. Okay, sir, this is nothing but, so how to print a messages on the screen by using various programming languages. Sir, up to this okay, but I want to read the input from the user. Sir, how you can able to read? If you want to read any data from the user, sir, we have to go for which statements, sir? Input statements. In C language, how you can able to read input? For that we have scanf function is there. We have to take a format specifier plus variable names. Of course I will take a syntax, don't worry. Sir, C in C++, sir, we have C in is there. Directly you can take variable name, it will read that data. Sir, what about Java? In Java it is very difficult, sir. We have to go with scanner class and its methods. Sir, what methods are there? Scanner obj is equal to new scanner of sir, system dot in. Sir, scanner will scan the data. Sir, system dot in means what? It is going to read the data from input device. Sir, you can pass even a string also. In this case it will read the data from string. If you want, you can pass a file also, it will read the data from file. But if you want to accept the information, we have various methods are there. I will explain one or two methods. Sir, if I want to access integer value, sir, we have to use next int. Sir, we have to use any variable name is equal to next int, which is used to read integer value. If you want to read float value, just change in the place of int to float. If you want to read double, you have to read double. If you want to read the entire string, then we have to go for next line. Like this, we have various methods are there. Using that, we can able to read the data. Sir, once if you go to the programming, then definitely you will get much clarity about these things. Don't worry at all. Okay. And sir, in Python, how you can able to read the value? Very simple, sir. For this, we have input function is there, and also, sir, typecasting functions are there. Using this input and typecasting functions, we can read the data. Now, I will take two programs for you people to understand. What is the first program is nothing but write a program, sir, to read two numbers. Okay, or let me take to read three integer numbers, three integer values, and perform addition operation in C language, first program. Sir, in C++, second program. In Java, third program. In Python, fourth program. Like this I want to do. Sir, already editors are there. Let me implement this code. First, I want to solve this problem in C language, sir. Already editor is there, right? Yes, sir. Sir, what is our requirement? Sir, we have to take this just a small change. Sir, integer, how many variables they told? 3 variables, A, B, C, and we have to declare sum. So scanf percentage d is used to read an integer value. Then, sir, ampersand a comma ampersand b comma ampersand c, which is used to read three numbers. Now sum is equal to, we have to calculate sum, right? Sum is equal to a plus b plus c. Then we have to print that result, right? Sir, for that printf percentage d comma sum. That's all. Now this program is expecting three values. We have to supply these three values here. Let me take triple one, triple two, triple three is the value. Now click on execute button. It will take these three values, it performs a sum, and it will print the result. What output you got? Triple six. Is it a sum of these three numbers or not? Yes. This is the way how you can able to solve in C language. Sir, Java, whatever I explained in the last session and today's session, if you have this knowledge, sir, happily you can learn programming also, no problem at all. Now I am going for C++. Sir, same scenario, right? But let me change the variable name x, y, z, and let me take some variable. Sir, C in, directly you can take x, y, z. No need to take any percentage, these, all these things. Sum is equal to x plus y plus z. And C out, directly I am printing the value of sum. Sir, let me supply here. I am giving 10, 20, 30. Let me execute. Sir, what happens? 60 is nothing but my result. Sir, it is providing the proper result. Excellent. Now let me go with next example, which is nothing but I want to implement in Java. Sir, I told already in Java, sir, we have to implement. Yeah, Sushant, please wait. We will see those kind of scenarios also in our upcoming sessions. Okay. I know why you are asking this question. So maybe you have faced some problem while reading the integer data and string, right? That's why you are asking. Don't worry. We have such a type of scenario. How you can read, I will explain. So there is one problem is there to check date of birth. Yeah, I know. Definitely, Sushant, I told right. So whatever you are facing in the real time, same you after learning this course, you will feel very free. Sir, I'm happy to share that so many LBP previous batch students are luckily, so they are enjoying my sessions like anything. I think my previous batch students also there in this session, I think one or two members. Anyone, any old student, please confirm so that you will give some guidance to our new students. Any old student somewhere I have seen? No. Okay, no issues. Yesterday, it seems one of my previous batch student attended for demo. Yeah, Gaurav. Yes. Sir, please confirm. Any my old students are there? Please confirm. Yesterday, you have faced this problem. No worries, Shushant. Don't worry. I will give a conclusion for this in our upcoming sessions. Okay. Yeah. Sir, let me take Java. Let me take Java. Sir, here we need to solve. We need to solve. First, what we have to do? Scanner class we have to take. Scanner obj is equal to new scanner of sir system dot in. I am taking input. But if you want to work with the scanner class, we have to import one package, which is nothing but util. Okay. Yeah, very good. Correct. Now, sir, integer a is equal to obj dot next int. Similarly, integer b is equal to obj dot next int. Sir, similarly, integer c is equal to obj dot next int. Like this we have. Sir, now you need to calculate a sum, right? So I am declaring integer sum is equal to a plus b plus c. That's all. Yeah, 1 minute, sir. Please wait. Yeah, sir, we need to supply the input. Assume I am giving, sir, 1 to 4. What sum we have to get? 7, right? Yes, 7 is nothing but my output. Yes, perfectly it is working. Sir, in Python, how you can able to solve this problem? In Python, how you can able to solve this problem? Sir, I told already Python is the very easiest programming language. Sir, I will explain two versions for you. Sir, what is the first version? Okay, what is the first version? Sir, first version is nothing but I can say, sir, beginner version, beginner level coding. Okay, sir, what is the second version is nothing but, do you know, expert level, expert level like us, right? Expert means all we are nothing but experts only. Sir, let me solve this problem. So I'm taking x is equal to int of input. Sir, first input I am taking. Y is equal to, sir, int of input. Second input I am taking. Z is equal to, sir, int of input. Third input I am taking. Sir, sum is equal to x plus y plus z. Print the value of sum. Have you observed anywhere? Am I using semicolon? No, sir. Now first input is 10. Second input is 20. Third input is 30. We are going to get 60 as the result. But make sure that in this case, we have to pass the inputs only line by line. Sir, what happens if you pass separated by spaces? It won't accept, sir. There are some issues are there. I will discuss all these things later. But a single line code, how you can take? If it is the case, sir, we can take like this. In a single line, assume I am passing the values like 101, sir, 201, 301 like this. Now observe, sir, input is there. It is reading the entire line. It is reading this entire line. From this line, I want to split the data based on spaces. Sir, dot split. Sir, it is splitting the data based on space. Sir, int of I, please convert each I value in the input. Please convert each I value in the input. Now let me take print function. Sir, you can see whatever inputs you have given, you got those inputs in the form of list, right? Sir, in Python, for calculating some of the elements in the list, we have some function is there. Sir, directly it will return the result. See how beautiful it is. A single line code is sufficient for solving these problems. Not only these problems, sir, in majority of our LBP code, almost 10% or 15% of the programs will be only single line code only. Okay, sir, hope it is very clear for you people. Sir, do you have any doubts up to this? Please confirm. Yes, now you can ask all your queries if you have. Yeah, sir, in Python, input function is going to read input from the user. Whatever input is there, sir, I am splitting based on spaces. I am splitting based on spaces. Once if the data is accepted from the spaces, we have some inputs are there. From that, I am selecting each and every value and I am converting into integer and I am placing in the list. So that what will happen? Whatever inputs you have given, I am storing that inputs in a list format. Now, sir, what we can use? Sum of that list. It will take these elements in the list and it will perform sum. That's all. Yeah. Yeah, it is something like a for loop. Yes, of course. Don't worry. Sir, in further sessions, we will discuss in detail about this. Don't worry. Sir, any doubts up to this? Yes, please confirm. I request everyone to respond. Any doubts up to this? Yes. Sir, that's all about introduction part. Sir, let me go with what you can call the programs one by one. Sir, shall we start the first program? Please confirm. Shall we start the first program? Please confirm. Yes. Sir, let me take the first program in our LBP sessions. Okay, we will try to solve that problem. Okay. Yes. Sir, this is nothing but the first problem what we have. Sir, program to check whether the given number is even number or odd number. Sir, what is the input for this program? Sir, an integer number n. What is the constraint for this? That number should be greater than or equal to 0. Suppose if you are passing any negative number, what we have to do, sir? Sir, you have to check the condition and you need to print the message saying invalid. Sir, for this, I will explain the logic with the help of diagram. For maximum, for every problem, we will see the diagrams. Okay, maybe in my previous batches, I have not covered that much diagrams, but in this batch, maximum for every problem, we will see the diagrams. Okay, but maybe one or two problems is not required diagrams, because if I am taking sum of digits in the given number, for this I will explain with the help of diagram. Sir, if you are getting sum of even digits, similarly sum of odd digits, for those things I won't explain any diagram, sir, because the logic is the same, right? That's why. Sir, now let me go with the example. Okay, first we will explain the logic, then you can able to understand very clearly. Sir, now I will copy paste this statement so that you people will get some idea. Sir, program to check whether the given number is a even or odd number. What is the first requirement? Sir, we have to read a number from the user and we need to print whether it is even or odd. Sir, what is the output statement? Sir, it should be either even or it should be either odd or it should be invalid. Any three answers you have to get, right? So input is nothing but an integer number n. Sir, I will write the logic first in red color so that you people will get some idea. So just in your understandable manner, I am going to write. Listen carefully. Sir, what is the first step, sir? We have to read n value from the user. We have to read n value from the user. Now, what is your next step? What is your next step? Your next step is nothing but you have to check whether if the value of n is greater than or equal to 0 or not. If it is greater than or equal to 0, sir, we have to write our code here. We have to write our code here. Sir, what is that code? We will write later. Suppose if it is not correct, if n value is not greater than 0, then you need to go with else. Sir, what is the meaning of this if and else? You know very well. So if whatever constraint you are giving, if it is satisfied, it will execute these instructions. If it is not satisfied, it will go to else. In the else, if it is the C language, sir, we have to print the message saying invalid. Sir, if it is a C++, sir, you have to print the message saying invalid. If it is Java, sir, system.out.println of, sir, you have to print invalid. Just for your example sake, I am telling, sir, please try to understand my intention. Okay. Then, sir, in Python, how you can able to print? Sir, print of valid, but don't take, sorry, invalid. Don't take all these things. You have to select any one. Okay, sir, what about this one? What about this one? Very simple. Here you need to apply, sir, one more logic. Here we have to apply one more logic, which is nothing but heart of this program. Sir, what is that logic? Let me take here. We accepted the n value, right? Now, sir, how you can able to check whether it is even number or odd number? Sir, if you divide that number with 2 and if it is giving reminder as a 0, then you can print the message saying even. Just consolidated print statement I am taking. Sir, else, if it is not divisible, sir, we have to print the message saying odd. Sir, beyond that, nothing is there here. Okay, sir, let me take one example and then I will explain for you people. Sir, consider the value of n, they are giving 5. Sir, 5, is it greater than or equal to 0 or not? Yes, sir, it is greater than or equal to 0. Then it is going to verify whether n percentage 2 is equal to 0 or not. Yes, n percentage 2. Sir, 5 percentage 2. If you divide 5 with 2, sir, what will happen? Sir, 2 2s are 4. Remainder which you are going to get is nothing but 1, which is not equal to 0. Which is not equal to 0. Condition is fail. If condition is fail, it will print odd. Let me take 6. Sir, what will happen if you divide 6 with 2? Sir, 2 3s are 6, right? What is the remainder? 0. Condition satisfied. It will print even. Assume I am giving minus 7. Sir, first condition itself false. Then what will happen? It will print invalid. Like this algorithm is going to work. I hope once if you inject this algorithm into your mind, then sir, implementation is nothing. If you know C, you have to write the instructions in C. If you know Java, you can write it in Java. If you know in Python, you can write it in Python. Sir, trust me, if you attend these sessions, you will get all the 3 languages basics up to RS. Okay, sir, clear up to this? Any doubts on this logic explanation? Please confirm, sir. Yeah, C++, we are not. Actually, the time is not sufficient. You can try by your own. Okay. Yeah, sir, we are going to create our new batch running notes also. Sir, what is the running notes also? Yeah. So running notes name is nothing but LBP5. Sir, LBP5 will be there. Okay. So this LBP5 you are going to get in the form of Google Drive. Okay. And I'm going to save all your documents into that. Okay. Sir, this diagram also will be there in that LBP5. So I'm going to save this file as a LBP1.image. So this will be shared for you even at the time of what you can call verification. It will be very helpful for you people. Okay. Yeah. Tomorrow we will see that code. So because time up, right? So tomorrow, yeah. Please wait up to tomorrow. Tomorrow I will solve this problem in our hacker rank. Sir, tomorrow we will see. So this problem statement explanation one more time I will give, and then we will implement in C. Sir, in C++ also we will implement, in Java also we will implement, and in Python. All these 4 languages I will implement for first program, but from second program onwards, I will take the implementation only in C, Java, and then Python. Okay, sir, please don't forget to register for this course. So I request everyone to please register as early as possible. Sir, that's all about today's session. Tomorrow also same link will be there. Okay, sir, thank you. Thank you so much for your valuable time. Thank you guys. Good night. Good evening, friends. In the last video, sir, we discussed about the introduction to this course. What is this course and what is the course content? What benefits you are going to get from this course? Okay, and what daily activities we are going to do in this LBP, like so how to read the problem statement and how to divide the problem into individual things, and how you can provide implementation in C language, in Java, in Python. Like that, we have seen various levels of activities, how to submit the program, sir, how to get a final approval. So whether all test cases are passed or not, how you can able to get, sir, all these things, how you can able to do, I explained in the last video. Then as a part of introduction, to every programming language, sir, if I want to solve the problem in C language, definitely I should know what is the input, how you can able to accept input from the user, and how you can able to display output on the screen. Definitely it is required, right? So for that purpose, what output statements we have in various programming languages? Sir, you can see in C language, we have printf statement is there, which is used to print a message on the screen. Similarly, in C++, we have cout is there, which is used to print a message on the screen. Similarly, in Java, sir, do you know, in Java, there are three types of print formats are there, like system.out.print of welcome, system.out.println of welcome, system.out.printf of welcome. Three kind of formats are there. Sir, any format we can choose. Okay. Similarly, in Python, sir, we have only one function is there with the print. Of course, there are 10 formats are there for printf. Sir, I told in the last session itself, sir, we have beautiful print function which is there in all the languages. Means Python statement, Python output statements are nothing but very beautiful, because we have so many flexibilities are there. Just to have a look once, I will show you that Python IO statements. 1 minute. So because in Python running notes, it was there. 1 minute, sir. 1 minute. Please wait. Yes. Sir, the only one output statement which we have in Python is nothing but print. Okay. Sir, how many functions are there? Have you observed? Form 1, sir, print of string. Similarly, print of object. We can print object also. Similarly, sir, we can print empty line by using print function. All these things we will use in our LBP classes, sir. Sir, print of, you can print multiple objects also. Sir, you can print multiple objects with SCP attribute. Sir, while printing space separation, I am getting, sir, I don't want a space. I want a hyphen. I want a comma. Yes, no problem. We can go with which attribute, sir? SCP attribute. Similarly, end attribute is there. Sir, if you print A, B, C, D line by line, we will get. Sir, I want in the same line. Then we can go with end attribute. Sir, all these things we will use in our regular sessions. Sir, object plus string, both the combination you can print. Suppose addition of 111 and 222 is equal to 333, where obj1 is this one, obj2 is this one, obj3 is this one. So in the place of constants, I will take within double quotations. In the place of obj, we will take that object. Then, sir, print with legacy C language style. Sir, you can implement in C language format also. Sir, addition of percentage D and percentage D is equal to percentage D. In the place of percentage, what values we have to include? That part also we have. Sir, even print with replacement operator. Sir, there is a empty flower bracket is there, or with some values we can provide. Dot format function we have to use. Similarly, last one, sir, print with formatted string also there. Directly you can print f of addition of a and b is equal to a plus b. Sir, if you use f here, what will happen? It will substitute the values with the given positions. Like this beautiful print function which we have in Python is nothing but print function. So the many forms are there, okay, which is something like overloaded function. Okay, then, sir, I explained very clearly how to print a message on the screen by using various programming languages. And even, sir, in the last video I explained how to read input from the user. Sir, how you can able to read input from the user? By using, sir, C language, we can use a scanf statement. In C++, we can use a cin. In Java, we can use a scanner class. Okay, sir, for that I have given demonstration in the last video by taking two values from the user and performing, sorry, three values from the user and performing addition operation. Whatever result we got, sir, how to print on the screen also, I explained very clearly, sir. Then even how to read three integer values and how you can perform addition operation in C++ also, I explained very clearly in the last video. Sir, similar to this, how you can do in Java, how you can able to do in Python. Sir, in Python, I explained in two versions, right? What is the first version? Sir, a kilometers code we have to take here. Okay. But second version, we have Python is there for reducing the length of the code. Sir, single line code we can write for solving this problem. Excellent. Now, after completion of this, I demonstrated clearly, sir, how you can able to solve this problem. First problem, sir, with the help of logic, I explained in the last video. Sir, diagram also I have given, right? This is nothing but a diagram what we have explained. Have you observed? What is the first program? To check whether the given number is even or odd number. Sir, we have to find whether it is even or odd. Sir, which algorithm we have to follow for this? Sir, I explained very clearly. Now our requirement is nothing but we have to convert this into, okay, we have to convert this into, sir, meaningful code. That is C language implementation, Python implementation, sir, C++ implementation, Java implementation. Sir, we have to solve. Now, sir, please confirm. Sir, up to this, do you have any doubts? Please confirm. Yes, please confirm. Up to this, do you have any doubts? I request everyone to please respond. Yeah. And I think yeah, 1 minute, 1 minute. Yeah, please wait, sir, 1 minute. Yeah, sir, I shared mail ID in the chat window. So please make your payment and please give confirmation to that mail ID, sir. Okay. Yeah, thank you. Sir, this is nothing but what we have seen in the last video. Now, sir, let me go with the first program, sir. I want to implement this problem in C language. I want to implement this code in C language. Sir, for solving in C language, I will go to the previous batch. Okay, the previous batch LBP programs I am taking. But for our batch, I will create a new link and I will share with you. Don't worry. That will be happened in a couple of days. Okay, sir, here what is the problem, sir? Here LBP1 program to check whether the given number is a even number or odd number. What is the input here? A number n we have to supply. and the value of n must be greater than or equal to 0. Sir, output should be either even or odd or invalid. So they have given some sample test cases also. Sir, before typing the program, so you have to check whether these inputs and sample outputs are working properly with the logic what we have implemented. So then only you have to enter into the program, because first of all these conditions has to be satisfied, right? So 12 is a even number. According to the logic, it will print even only. And 13 is the odd number. According to the logic, it will print odd only. So now what we have to do? Yes, sir, I want to go for C language code. Sir, skeleton will be there as it is. Just you have to fill that empty code. Beyond that, nothing is there. Sir, what is the first step? Integer n, because we need to read the number. That's all. No other inputs are required. And I told how to read the input. Sir, maybe in your academics you have seen combination of printf and scanf, but here we should not go for that. We have to use only scanf, because directly in the input you can see only number is there, so extra message is not there. That's why, sir, scanf percentage d comma ampersand n. Sir, I accepted the value and I stored in n. Now, sir, you have to do all the operations if n is greater than or equal to 0. Suppose if n is not greater than or equal to 0, you need to print invalid, right? That's why in the false case I am printing invalid. Sir, my value is greater than 0. Then you need to write one more condition. I already explained in the diagram. What is that condition? n percentage 2 is equal to 0. Boss, n percentage 2 double equal to 0. Sir, if true, what will happen? Sir, we need to print the number even message called even. Now, if the condition is not satisfied, then we have to print odd. Sir, first we have to check is there any error in the program? Okay, and is all these sample test cases are working properly or not? Sir, there is one small mistake is there in the program. First, let me click on run and then I will show you. Sir, if you run, what will happen? Sir, test case 0, test case 1 are not satisfied. Sir, why, sir? What is the problem? Sir, have you observed my input is even, expected output is also even. Sir, you have taken E in the capital letter, but in the expected format they have given E in the small letter. Sir, that modifications also very important in the coding domain. Okay, that's why better to change this to small e and change this to small o. Now let me run the code. Sir, is it going to work or not? Definitely. And both test cases are passed. Sir, now what we have to do? You need to submit the code. Once if you submit, it will test against all the hidden test cases which I have given. Sir, you can see the submission few seconds ago. The score is nothing but 1.0. The status is accepted. Sir, tick mark means what? All the test cases are passed. Now what we have to do? Just copy the submitted code and paste in our running notes. It will be very helpful for you to refer, right? This is nothing but C language implementation. Sir, I am going for Java implementation. How you can able to solve in Java? So what we have to do? Sir, go to problem. Now onwards happily you can solve, because we know the logic, right? Sir, now, so if you want to read the data by using Java language, means we have to create object for one class. Sir, could you please confirm to which class we have to create object to read the numbers from the user? Please confirm, sir. I forgot. Whatever I explained in the last class, I forgot. Please confirm by using which class we have to read. Please confirm, sir. Very good. Excellent. Sir, we have to use scanner class. Sir, scanner obj is equal to new scanner I am taking within bracket, sir, system.in. Now, sir, using this we can able to read the input. Sir, how many inputs we are reading? Only one. Integer n is equal to obj dot next int. Sir, Perfect. Perfect. Okay. Now, sir, I want to run this. I want to run this. Sir, how you can able to run this program, sir? Very simple. Sir, just we have to check the condition. So if n value is greater than or equal to 0, we have to do some operations. Else, sir, these curly braces are optional in programming languages. These curly brackets, that means flower brackets, are optional in the programming languages. Sir, when we have to use curly brackets means when you are having more than one statement, then only we have to go for curly braces. But if you are having more than one statement means curly braces. If you are not having more than one statement, don't go for curly brackets. Just directly also you can take that facility we have. Sir, system dot out dot println of I need to print the message saying invalid. Sir, here if n percentage 2 is equal to 0, only one statement, right? Sir, I am printing directly system dot out dot println of even. Okay. Else, if the condition is not satisfied, system dot out dot println of odd. Let me run the code. Correct. And let us submit the code. Sir, all the test cases are cleared. Sir, someone is asking for scanner, which package is used. I told already in the last video, Akshay. So for the scanner class, which package we have to import, sir? Util package, sir, which is there in util package. By default, it is imported. And one more person is asking, sir, what happens if we take, if you are not taking n greater than or equal to 0? What will happen? Sir, some test cases maybe fails. Some test cases maybe fails. See, I'm removing this. Okay, I'm removing this. Let us check what will happen. So I'm putting in a comment. Okay, all these things, sir, I'm taking in a comment. Let us see what will happen. Okay, let me run the code. Sir, sample test cases will work, sir, but when you submit the code, sir, see what happens. Array, one test case is not passing. Why? Because that your score is 0.75. Status is wrong answer. Sir, why? What is the reason? Have you observed? Maybe in the test case 3, I have given the input in negative manner, so it is expecting invalid, but you didn't provided any solution for this. Have you observed? Fine, very good. Sir, this is nothing but how you can able to think and how you have to write. Sir, all these are just for basics purposes, sir, but every constraint which you have given in the problem statement is very, very important. Every constraint is very, very important, sir. Okay, sir, before starting the problem, before implementing the logic, first we have to see the constraints, because without constraints nothing is possible, right? So that is main agenda. Please make sure in that area. Sir, fine. I want to go for Python implementation. Sir, as I promised you, so I will take 2 implementations in Python for first few programs. Then we will take only the easiest way. Sir, what is the first version, sir? What is the first version? The version which I explained in the diagram, same thing I will take in Python. Same thing I will take in Python. Okay, sir, what is that? N is equal to int of input. We have to read one input from the user. Then if the value of n is greater than or equal to 0, sir, in Python we don't have flower brackets concept, is not there. It is replaced with indentation concept. Remember carefully, the people who know Python, they can understand this program very well. Remaining people, better to learn Python. Okay, sir, indentation is there. After this, if n percentage 2 is equal to 0, again indentation, I am printing the message called even. Else, I am printing the message called odd. Okay, sir, if first if condition is not satisfied, sir, please print the message saying invalid. Like this we have to print. Let me run the code. No. It is not possible to share Python notes. You have to join. No. You have to join. Okay, please. Yeah, basics I will provide, don't worry. So let me submit the code. Yes, all the test cases are working, sir. No problem. Sir, this is nothing but what we have in first version. Sir, in shortest way, how you can able to do, sir? Very simple. Observe carefully how I am going to do in a simple manner. Sir, I am opening this in Python editor itself. Sir, do you know int of input? Sir, observe my words. Int of input. Whatever input I accepted, sir, I'm going to store it in a variable called n. N is equal to like this. Okay, fine. Okay, fine. Then, sir, I want to print invalid. I want to print invalid when, sir, if n is greater than, if n is less than 0. Sir, if the value of n is less than 0, print invalid. Else, else, sir, again I am taking one more condition. Sir, print even if n percentage 2, okay, is equal to 0. Sir, else print odd. That's all. This entire thing we have to take within single print statement. That's all. Beyond that, nothing is there, sir. Let me run. Is it working properly or not? Perfect. Let us submit the code. A shortest code what we have, right? This is nothing but how you can able to solve this problem. Sir, hope it is very clear for you people. Sir, do you have any doubts, friends, up to this? Yes, please confirm, ask all your doubts. Sir, again I am repeating from the next so we are going to see so many times even number odd number situation. Immediately in your mind you need to get this logic, sir. Sir, sorry is talking about even number. Divide that number with percentage 2. If you are getting reminder as a 0, then it is even number. If you are not getting reminder as a 0, then it is odd number. Sir, it should be injected into your mind. So because so many times we are going to see this even number odd number situations. Okay. Why there is a int before input? Alok Yadav. See, in Python, input function will always accept the data in the form of string, sir. So to convert that into integer, I used integer function. Clear? Yes. I'm requesting every student to please respond. Up to this, do you have any doubts, sir? Very good. Now, sir, what is the next thing that we have here is, sir, we need to go for the next one, LBP number 2, LBP number 2. Sir, as usual, I will explain the problem statement. So implementation, we will see in the next class, because up to demo, sir, slowly we will move, and some people are there to join, right? That's why. So what is the second problem that we have here? Okay, what is a second problem that we have here? Sir, it is the problem, sir, which was asked in one of the company, and it is there in hacker rank also. Sir, you can see this is the problem statement, LBP number 2. Sir, do you know, based on this, sir, there are n number of problems are there. There are n number of problems are there. Sir, I will share you those problems also. Sir, don't worry, don't worry. Okay, sir, maybe in our regular sessions also, I will share in which company we have asked these kind of problems, all these things. Okay. Now, sir, what is, 1 minute, 1 minute. Yeah, do you want to see in which I mean this kind of program? Please confirm. Do you want to see this kind of program, sir, which is asked in the interview? Please confirm. Yeah, wait for 1 minute. I will show you. Yeah. 1 minute, sir. I am searching. 1 minute. Yeah. So 1 minute. What is the reason why? Oh, so many messages. Which course? Yeah. So just I will show you, sir, how this kind of program you are going to get. Okay, sir, in the real time, how you are going to get these type of programs. Just I want to share you one simple screen. Sir, please confirm, is my screen is visible? Is my screen is visible? Yes. Sir, please concentrate here. This was the question which was asked in the previous interview, sir. Have a look once. Sir, just I'm see, you can see the screenshot of that question. Okay. Have a look once. Sir, video share is an online video sharing. Okay. Video share is an online video sharing platform. The company has decided to rate its users' channels based on the sum of total number of views received online and the subscribers. This sum total is referred to as user points. The rating will be given according to the below charts. Sir, user points 30 to 50 means average. 51 to 60 means good. 61 to 80 means excellent. 81 to 100 means outstanding. The whole process is automated and sir, it is carried out by a company's system. We have to develop an application for this purpose. Right, like that they will ask in the interviews from the user that number must be always 1 less than or equal to n less than or equal to 100. Then what we have to do, sir, you need to take, okay, you need to take a wired or not, that message we have to take. Sir, is this problem is similar to that or not? Please confirm. Is that problem is similar to this one or not? Please confirm. And you can see one more problem, sir, same related to that. Have you observed the e-commerce company bookshelf wishes to analyze its monthly sales data between the minimum range 30 to the maximum range 100. The company has categorized these book sales into 4 groups depending on the number of sales. With the help of these groups, the company will know which stock they should increase or decrease in their inventory for the next month. So the groups are as follows. write an algorithm to find the group for the given book sale. Sir, it is similar to that. Yes, of course. Have you observed these kind of questions? If you are getting in an interview, sir, you are the luckiest person, because you have joined in this LBP course. Immediately you can solve with all test cases. Sir, trust me, these kind of problems around 5 we have in our sessions. 5 programs are there. But I know the company name also. That company people, every time they are asking this question just by changing the sentences. Okay. Sir, hope if you are attending to that particular company, definitely at least for 100 members, minimum 2 to 3 members will get this question. Okay. Sir, trust me, it is a fact. Okay. Sir, any doubts up to this, please confirm. Someone is asking, sir, please tell me that company name. No, I won't reveal now because it is the demo session, right? So in our regular batch, I will include that company name. Don't worry. That's why I have removed that top things in our screenshot. Have you observed? I mailed that screenshot to my mail ID, and then I have displayed. Just I cutted the top level. Okay, because so it is a demo session. We should not reveal policies. Yeah, sir. When we will share hacker rank link? Yeah, sir. I created already hacker rank link. Okay, I added almost 10 programs also. But once if the payments, all these things completed, once if it is regularized, then we will release. Okay, don't worry. From that you can practice. Okay. Yes, sir, that's all about today's session. Okay, so we will meet for the continuation tomorrow. If anyone is having doubts, yes, you can post it on chat window. And those who have not received the payment links, all these things, sir, I am pasting on your chat window. Sir, you can verify and please take the screenshots and send all your payment details, everything, to durgasoftonline@gmail.com. Okay. Yeah, if you are having any queries, yes, please ping me. Good evening, friends. In the last video, sir, we started logic-based programming, a new batch, right? Sir, the duration of this particular course is nothing but 3 months duration we have, and the programs are nothing but 350 programs we are going to cover as a part of this course. And these timings are nothing but 8:30 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. daily. We have a session from Monday to Monday to Friday. Okay, and the fees for this is nothing but 1500, and for any registration all these details you can contact to 8096 969696. Okay, and sir, what activities we are doing daily? Sir, we are going to see the problem statement clearly, and we will divide the entire problem into pieces. Sir, if you have a big problem, then we are going to provide implementation in C language, and we will implement the same program in Java, and we will implement the same program in Python. In all the languages we are going to provide implementation, sir. Then, sir, after completion of this, we are going to run the program for any compilation errors or runtime errors. If everything is clear, we can submit the program. Once if you submit, all the test cases will be passed, and we are going to get how many points, sir? 1 point. Okay, this is nothing but what is our daily activity which we are going to do. And what are the output statements that we have? Sir, I covered very clearly. Total how many output statements are there, sir? So these are nothing but in C language we have printf statement is there, sir. In C++ we have cout statement is there. So in Java we have three formats are there, like system.out.print, system.out.println, system.out.printf. Like in three formats it is going to provide support, sir. Similarly, in Python we have print function. Related to this, sir, I covered already some example programs. If you are unable to view these things, yes, you can refer our YouTube channel. In that it is already there. Okay, you can refer those three videos. Next, and after that, sir, what are the input statements? Suppose if I want to read any data from the user, sir, in C language how you can able to read, in C++ how to read the data, in Java how to read the data, and in Python how you can able to read the data. Sir, all these things we are going to discuss. So I mean, we discussed already how you can able to accept the input from the user. Sir, for this we have taken a simple program to read three values from the user and perform addition operation on those three values, sir, by using, so C how you can implement, by using C++ how you can implement, sir, by using Java how you can implement, and by using Python how you can implement. All these things I explained in the last videos, sir. Then we have started the first logic based programming, which is nothing but a program to check whether the given number is even number or odd number, and the input we have to supply as an integer, and the constraint is nothing but the value of n must be greater than or equal to 0, and the output what we have is either we can print even or odd or invalid. So if the number is greater than or equal to 0, then we have to calculate whether it is even or odd. If it is not greater than or equal to 0, we have to print invalid. Sir, these things I already demonstrated for you people, right? Sir, now, so we have implemented this program in C language, and even I explained this program in Java, and even we have seen this program in Python also. Sir, all these things we covered very clearly in the last video. Now in today's session we have to go for LBP2, second problem we are going to discuss. Sir, up to this do you have any doubts, friends? Please confirm. Up to this do you have any doubts? Please confirm. Clear, right? Nikhil, is it your first class? Nikhil, is it your first class? Yeah. See, once if you see the problems, you will get it. For that, there is no separate procedure, Nikhil. We don't have any procedure for that. Just we have to go with the flow. Okay. Now, sir, let me go for second problem, sir. Okay, sir, what is the second problem that we have here? Sir, you can able to view here. 1 minute. Yes, sir, this is nothing but the problem statement LBP number 2. Sir, let us solve this problem today. Okay, sir, what is this problem? You can able to see from here, sir. We have something like this: given an integer n. Sir, they have given one integer value called n. So for this n, we have to perform the following conditional actions. Sir, if n is odd, one category. Sir, if n is even, another category is there. Okay, sir, first we have to check whether it is odd or not. Sir, because we know already, right, how you can able to check whether it is odd or not? Sir, n percentage 2 is double equal to 0 means even, sir. If n percentage 2 is not equal to 0 means odd, right? Sir, we should not take this condition. We have to take this condition for this problem. Okay, sir, once if it is clear, then we have to print a message called void. Otherwise, n is a even number, in that there are multiple cases are there. If it is in the inclusive range of 2 to 5, we have to print not void. If it is in the inclusive range of 6 to 20, then we have to print void. Sir, if it is greater than 20, we have to print not void. Have you observed? Three constraints are there inside this if condition. Okay, so inside this if condition, we have three conditions are there. Sir, output must be either void or not void, and the input value must be within this range. Now, sir, I will write the algorithm. Observe very clearly. What is the first step, sir? Sir, first we have to check whether the value of n is greater than or equal to 1 and the value of n is less than or equal to 100 or not. Because primary conditions, which is there in our constraint part, right? Sir, once if it is clear, then, sir, what we have to do? Sir, you need to check, sir, whether the number which we have given is odd number or not. Okay, so for that I am checking one condition here. Sir, if n percentage 2 is not equal to 0, sir, then it is odd number, right? Sir, if it is odd number, directly they are telling, sir, we need to print some message. Okay, we have to print some message. What is that message? Print, sir, we need to print the message called, sir, wired, like this. Else, sir, if it is not the case, then, sir, we have to write a few more conditions here. We have to write a few more conditions. What is that condition, sir? If n value is greater than or equal to 2 and n value is less than or equal to 5, then we need to print the message called, sir, not void. Okay, sir, we have to print the message called not void. Then, sir, if, else if, suppose if the first condition is not satisfied, then I am checking if the value of n is greater than or equal to 6 and the value of n is less than or equal to 20. If it is in this range, then we need to print the message called void. Okay, sir, else, sir, we have to print the message. Directly we can print the message saying not void, right? Sir, this is nothing but what we have. Sir, once if everything is completed, that's all, our task is finished. That's all. Sir, first outermost condition is there, then innermost condition is there. Sir, based on that we have to print. Sir, if all these conditions are satisfied, that's all, sir, our program is going to execute successfully. This is nothing but the heart of this program. Sir, is the logic is clear, sir? Please confirm, friends, so that we can go for implementation. I request everyone to respond. Is the logic is clear, friends? Yes. Now, sir, let me go for implementation. I want to implement this problem, sir. If you want to implement a problem compulsory, we have to go for hacker rank link, right? So I am opening the previous batch hacker rank link. Anyway, tomorrow we will create the link. Okay, don't worry. Sir, now which problem we have to solve? Second problem. Sir, click on open in a new tab. This is nothing but the problem statement what we have, right? Sir, already I explained this. Given an integer n and perform the following conditional actions. Sir, all these things already we discussed. Just we have to provide implementation. Sir, have you observed for our diagram? Sir, is this test cases are passing or not? We need to cross check, right? Sir, what is the first input here we have? Sir, 3 is nothing but the first input what we have. Okay. Sir, for this, we need to print void. For 24, sir, we have to print not void. Okay. Sir, let me see how you can able to run this. 1 minute. Yeah, Mohad Ahmad, please switch off your video. Now, sir, let us see here. So if the input is 3, is it in which category? Sir, first of all, is it even number or odd number? Sir, it is the odd number. So we will get void. Okay, we are going to get void, right? Yes, perfect. Now, if n is equal to 24, if n is equal to 24, it is odd even number, so it comes to this category. In this category, sir, is that number is lies between which range? Sir, it is greater than 20. That means we have to print not void. Yes, perfect. So now we have to provide implementation. Let me select C language. What is the first activity? We have to declare a variable which is nothing but n. Sir, we have to read this n value from the user. Okay, we have to read this n value from the user. Sir, after accepting n, scanf, I am taking percentage d comma ampersand n. Sir, we are reading the value of n. Once if the value of n is accepted, what is the primary condition, sir? If the value of n is, sir, greater than or equal to 1, what is the next condition? Sir, and the value of n should be less than or equal to 100. Sir, inside this, we have to write our logic. What is the logic, sir? If n percentage 2 is not equal to 0, I told in the last video, suppose inside if condition, if you are taking only one statement, remember carefully, inside if condition, if you are taking only one statement, curly braces are not required. So inside if condition, if you are taking any statement, sir, curly braces are not required. Now directly I am using printf statement. Sir, which message we have to print? Sir, we need to print void like this. Sir, w, I think capital or small? Yes, capital only. Fine. Suppose if this condition is not satisfied, then we need to take a bulk of statements, a bunch of statements. That's why, sir, I am taking curly brackets. So inside this we have to take, sir, what is the thing that we need to take here? Sir, again one if condition, whether that value is greater than or equal to 30, sir, and that value is less than or equal to what you can say, less than or equal to, sorry, not 30, sir, greater than or equal to 2, sir, and it should be less than or equal to 5. Sir, if it is the case, we need to print the message saying, sir, not void. Perfect. Sir, else if, one more condition you need to take. Sir, if it is in between 2 to 5, it is okay. Suppose if it is in between, sir, 6 to 20, in between 6 and in between 20, then what we have to do? Sir, you need to print a message saying, sir, void. Else if the condition is not satisfied, we have only one option, sir. We have to print not void. No need to take the condition, because if it is the last statement, sir, what is the need for taking condition, right? Now let me run the code. Sir, is it working or not? Yes, sir, you can see both the test cases are successfully passed. Now you have to click on submit button for final approval. Sir, is it working for the final test cases or not? We have to check. Sir, have you observed all the final test cases are clear? This is nothing but how you can implement in C language, sir. Sir, for this given problem statement, C language implementation is nothing but like this we have, right? Now I want to go for Java implementation. Sir, the algorithm is the same, but the way of implementation is going to change. Sir, let me select Java. Sir, I am taking scanner obj is equal to, sir, I am taking new scanner of, sir, within bracket, sir, I am taking system dot in, which is used to read input from the user, Sir, which value we have to read? N value. Sir, I am taking obj dot next int. We have to read obj dot next int. Sir, once if it is accepted, then what we have to do, sir? As usual, we have to check the condition whether your N value is greater than or equal to 1, and is it sorry, not and, sir, is it less than or equal to 100 or not? Primary condition which is there in our constraint. Sir, once if it is satisfied, what is your next duty? You need to check whether it is odd number or not. If n is not equal to 0, it is odd number. Sir, we know how to print the message. Sir, we have to take SOP, system.out.println. I am printing the message saying, sir, wired. Else, if it is not the case, we have bunch of statements are there. Again, I am checking whether it is greater than or equal to 2, and is it less than or equal to 5 or not. If it is the true, I will print the message saying, sir, not wired. Else, if n is greater than or equal to 6, sir, and n is less than or equal to 20, sir, then what we have to take? Sir, system.out.println of, we need to print the message called wired. Else, if all these conditions are not satisfied, sir, system.out.println of, sir, I am taking not wired. Like this we have to print, sir. Beyond that, nothing is there. Let me check whether it is working or not. Sir, both the test cases are passed or not? Yes, both the test cases are passed successfully. And let us submit the code for final approval. Yes, it is going to be submitted. Sir, you can see all the test cases are passed here. This is nothing but, sir, how you can able to provide implementation in Java. Let me select Python programming. Sir, I want to implement this code in Python. Let us see, sir, how to provide implementation for Python. Sir, how to solve this? Just to go for Python, n is equal to int of input we have to take. I told already, input function will always accept the data in the form of string. Especially Python input function will always accept the data in the form of string, sir. We have to convert that particular string into integer format because we are working with numbers. Suppose if you want to work with a floating point, you should convert that into floating point. Sir, if you are working with any other type of data, yes, language compatible, sir, functions will be there. So based on that typecasting functions, sir, you need to do the conversions. Okay, sir, next and after that, what is your next requirement, sir? Sir, we need to check whether it is having the primary conditions or not. But here we have and operator is there. Okay, we should not take and symbol. Okay, then again indentation is there. I told already what is the meaning of indentation. Okay, I clearly explained in the last video. Now, sir, if n%2 is not equal to 0 or not, if it is not equal to 0, sir, you have to print the message saying fired. else. Sir, we have multiple statements are there in this. Again, I need to check whether it is greater than 2 and whether it is less than or equal to 5. If you have in between this, sir, I want to print the message saying not wired. Sir, elif. We don't have else if, sir. We don't have else if in Python. We have elif is there. Sir, elif n greater than or equal to 6 and n value is less than or equal to 20. Then what we have to print? Sir, we need to print the message saying wired. Sir, else if all the conditions are not satisfied, then we have to print which message, sir? Not wired. Like this you need to print. That's all. Beyond that, nothing is there. Sir, I think all the test cases will be cleared, right? Yes. Let me take run code. Yes, both the test cases are cleared. And who is asking that doubt? Raw input we should not take because we are using which Python version? Python 3. That's why. Okay. Let us run the code. And Python 2 is almost gone. We should not use Python 2. Okay. Sir, this is nothing but what is this problem statement and how you can able to solve this problem statement. Sir, up to this, do you have any doubts, sir? Please confirm. Yeah, in any style you can do, sir. Imitas, that's what I am telling. It is a completely on your hand. Okay, you can do in any style, whichever you required. But finally, all our test cases should be passed. That is our main constraint. You can do in any style. Clear? Yeah. Sir, any doubts, friends, up to this, please confirm. Any doubts, friends, up to this, please confirm. Yes, very good. So this is nothing but LBP2 what we have. Okay, LBP2 what we have. Let us save this image in our desktop. We have 8:30 p.m. is there. Sir, here already some JPG files will be there. I think so because LBP1 is there. Now I am giving the file name as LBP2.jpg. Right. So running notes, everything will be available in this particular folder what we have 8:30 p.m. Sir, this is nothing but running notes and 2 image files, like whatever programs we are going to cover. So if the program is very simple, then we want to take diagrams. So similar programs will be there. In that we will take one diagram and we will solve all the problems related to that. Okay. Sir, this is nothing but what we have. So related to the first 2 problems. Okay. Sir, that's all about today's session. Sir, we will discuss remaining things in the next video. Okay.
Good evening, friends. Welcome to Durga Soft. Welcome to Durga Soft online training. So we are going to start this new batch in online mode. Okay. And myself, K. Prakash Babu, having 12 years of experience. 12 years of experience in various programming languages. Okay. And sir, we started a new batch called logic based programming. Okay, logic based programming is nothing but a new batch. Sir, in short form, we can call it as LPP, logic based programming. And we are going to cover 300 plus programs. Okay, we are going to cover 300 plus programs. Sir, in this batch, you can expect 350 programs. I am going to cover 350 to 400, but I will stick on to my word. 350 programs we are going to cover. Even if time permits, more than these programs also we are going to cover. Okay, sir, I request everyone to please be switch on your video mode. Keshav, next. Sir, these 300 programs implementation we are going to see in C language, Java and Python. Sir, I will take each and every program and I will explain that program in C language. Even we will discuss this program in Java and even in Python. So in all the programming languages, we are going to discuss the solution for this problem. Every problem, for every problem, we are going to discuss the solution in all these three languages. Okay, then, sir, next and after that, let me give some inputs regarding the course details. Then we can go for what formalities we are going to learn all these things. Sir, here the title of the course is nothing but logic based programming. Sir, this batch is nothing but fifth batch, sir. Successfully first batch, second batch, third batch, fourth batch we launched, and this is nothing but a fifth batch. With a huge strength, we started first batches. Okay, sir, almost all the batches are now in ending. It is about to end at 31st of this month. Okay, sir, LBP 3 and 4 are running successfully with almost 200 programs. It is running, and we are going to start a regular batch on these timings, LBP 5. Okay, sir, what is the duration of the course? The duration of the course is nothing but sir, it is 3 months. The course is nothing but 3 months, sir. But probably it won't take those many months, but just I am taking, sir, 3 months course because we need to study each and everything in the program. Sir, don't hesitate, sir. You have to attend these sessions. Even if not possible, you can view the recordings. Okay, sir, in these, how many programs we are going to cover? I already told, sir, we are going to cover 350 programs minimum 350 programs will be there. But if time permits, I will extend it to 400 also. But 3 months won't be required. Within the less time period only we can able to finish. But if any time permits, then I will cover few more programs for you people. You can expect more programs from my side. Then, sir, what about the timings of this session? Sir, every day session will be there. Okay, every day session will be there. Sir, Saturdays and Sundays maximum sessions won't be there. But if time permits, I will take some extra classes also, because something like sequence of programs will be there. Suppose consider I want to write a program to perform operations with arrays. Like I want to perform insert operation, I want to perform delete operation. Sir, I want to perform update operation. Okay, I want to perform update operation. Like in the insertion, I want to insert at first location, I want to insert at last location, I want to insert at middle location, I want to insert at any position which you have given. Similarly, sir, deletion also same, first position, sir, middle position, sir, last position, given location, like this. Okay, sir, update based on position, update based on element. Sir, to explain these many programs, minimum, sir, 20 programs will be there based on this, right? To cover all these programs, we will take, sir, 1.5 hour, 2 hours session on special days like Saturdays and Sundays, sir, to complete that stretch full. It is not related to the subject, sir. I am talking with respect to the continuation, so that you people will in a good mood that we can cover all the related topics in a single session. Okay, sir, the timings of this course is nothing but 8:30 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. This is nothing but, sir, duration, I mean timings of this course. Okay, yeah, it is a regular batch. It is a regular batch, sir. We are going to cover daily. So that means Monday session will be there, sir. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Okay, probably Saturday and Sundays, okay, we are going to plan irregularly, not daily. Okay, then, sir, what is the fees for this course? Sir, the fees has been updated. The fees is nothing but 1500 rupees is nothing but the fees. Okay. Then, sir, to whom I have to contact if I want to register for this course? Very simple. Sir, be prepared with your mobile number and email ID, registered mobile number, registered email ID, and you have to contact 8096 969696 and you need to make a payment and confirm this batch. And demo sessions probably 3 days or 4 days will be there. Today is the 23rd, right? Today and tomorrow we have demo session, and Saturday Sunday we don't have any demo. Again on 27th onwards our regular classes is going to be started. Okay, this is nothing but about the course details what we have. Okay, yeah, sir. Yeah, let me complete my complete introduction, sir, then we can ask queries. Okay, please wait, don't mind. Sir, next and after that, sir, what benefits you are going to get from this? What benefits you are going to get from this? Okay, sir, the benefits is nothing but running notes. Running notes will be uploaded, will be updated on daily basis. On daily basis, sir, you can able to get running notes. Okay, sir, I will show you some sample running notes for you people. Okay, I will show you one running notes for you people. This is nothing but the running notes. This is nothing but the running notes, sir, where you are going to get like this for every program. First program, okay, sir, problem statement will be there, input and outputs will be there, what logic we have to write for that, and how you are going to write the program in C language, how you can able to write the program in Java, sir, how you can able to write the program in Python. In Python also, if time permits, we will see different versions also. In how many lines we can write the code is also very, very important nowadays, right? How sharply, how efficiently we can write the code. Sir, that also we are going to cover as a part of this one. Okay, sir, all these things we are going to cover. Okay, then, so like this, every problem statement, okay, with explanation, okay, everything I am going to cover. Sir, all these where we have to practice these programs, we have HackerRank link is there. I hope majority of you people may know about this HackerRank. In that website, we have created one separate login. There you have to do the programs. Okay, so already inputs will be given, already expected output is also there. Just you have to write the program and you need to click on execute button whether your program is satisfying our requirements or not. What is my requirement? Already I have dumped in HackerRank website. For that requirement, you have to write the program. Okay, sir, maybe you have to write a program to read a number and you have to check whether it is even number or odd number. Okay, sir, you have to write a program to check whether the given number is even number or odd number. For that, sir, what requirement you have to write? Sir, you need to create the program. You have to create the program. That is completely your choice. Okay, sir, you have to write the program here. Sir, once if you are writing the program, already, sir, I have created some test cases. Suppose if the input is nothing but 5, sir, you need to print it as a odd number. So ODD we have to print. Suppose if they are giving 6, we have to print even. Like this, sir, minimum some 7 inputs, 7 outputs will already dumped. Sir, you have to write the program and you need to, okay, run this program. Sir, if you run, it will verify, it will execute against all the test cases and it is going to return 1.0. Sir, if you cleared all the test cases, you will get 1 point. Suppose out of 5, if you are cleared only 4 test cases, sir, you will get 0.89 something like that marks. Okay, sir, every program is associated with 1 point. So after completion of this course, out of 350, sir, if you are getting 300 plus points, then make sure that you are perfect in the program. Of course, I will give the logics. I will explain you how you can able to solve. But beyond that, your practice is also required. Sir, don't worry. How to run the program in that hacker rank link, I will explain in further session. Okay. Then after running nodes, you are going to get video recording also. Video recording also you are going to get, but it is not downloadable. Just you have to view the recording. And the validity is nothing but almost you are going to get sir 7 months validity. 6 to 7 months, I think 6 months only. 6 months validity you are going to get. Okay, this is nothing but what benefit you are going to get. Sir, with this you are allowed to attend free workshops. Like why only for logic based we are started free workshops, sir? What is the reason for this free workshop is nothing but assume, sir, I am explaining a string concept. Almost in this we have 50 to 60 programs will be there only on strings. But sir, you should have a minimum knowledge on string data structure, right? So without using string data structure, we can't solve the problem. Sir, how I can able to solve that string data structure problems? Sir, for that compulsory, you must have a knowledge on strings, right? You must have a knowledge on strings. Sir, for that we will plan a separate workshop where we are going to talk about sir, some important things which are related to our logic based programming. Like sir, what is mean by string? What is mean by string buffer? What is mean by string builder? Sir, what functions are there? How you can able to construct the objects? Sir, how you can able to construct string values? Sir, what functions are there? Equals ignore case means what? Okay, concat method, what it is going to do? Compare to method, what it is going to do? Sir, compare to ignore case starts with, ends with, contains. Sir, all these things we are going to cover as a part of workshop. So demanding. So suppose if I'm taking these particular string programs in the Monday means I will plan one workshop in the Saturday or Sunday. So you need to attend that free workshop. So that workshop material and that workshop video also will be shared for you. Okay, so that it will be very useful for coming upcoming sessions, so that you can solve the problems very easily. Sir, like this we will have, and even some applications also we are going to develop here. See here, one application I developed. What is that application? Sir, every character, first letter you have to do uppercase. So how to write the program? Here you can see, sir, here have you observed? Sir, how many characters are there in this string? If length is even, if that word length is even, convert it to uppercase. If the word length is odd, keep as it is. Like this, we need to prepare the applications. Sir, all these things you are going to cover in workshops, not only on string, everything we are going to see. Sir, in that video and material will be shared for you people, sir, like normal running notes only. Okay. Then, sir, in addition to that, the validity of a hacker rank link, okay, is lifetime validity hacker rank link. Maybe tomorrow if I am starting a new logic based programming, sir, with definitely not 350 programs, definitely I will cover 400 programs. Sir, that extra 50 programs by default it will be added to your hacker rank link, sir, so that you can practice and you can communicate with me through mail or any other electronic media. Okay, sir, this is nothing but what we have. Okay, and one more thing, sir, after completion of this, okay, after completion of this, you can able to crack any coding round, sir, starting from Wipro, okay, TCS, CTS, sir, any company you can take, sir, easily you can able to crack the interviews. Especially this course is very benefitable for pre-final years and final years. Sir, those who are entering into the final years and those who are in the final years. Okay, for these two category students, definitely this course will be very helpful for you people. Sir, maybe you are attending the placements in your college, right? So at the time, immediately one HR is coming and they are giving one problem for you. Array, write a program to check whether the given number is prime number or not. Sir, you have to write the program. How you can able to write? Sir, how you can able to think and how you can able to construct that program in various programming languages, I am there to guide you, and you have to spend some time to practice that. Okay, sir, I'm giving, if you are listening my class for 1.5 hours or 1 hour, next day, sir, listen this video 1 or 2 times, and you have to practice the programs whatever I discussed. Maybe at the initial stages I will take 3 programs, 4 programs per day, but later 4 5 programs, 6 programs. If you practice these programs, then make sure that you will be strong in the programming domain. You can able to solve any kind of program, sir. Okay, that assurance I can able to give for you people. Okay, this is nothing but our course, sir. Till now I didn't introduce the course syllabus, and then I didn't introduce it in which platform we are going to work. That part I will take care now itself, don't worry. Sir, up to this, do you have any doubts? Yes, please let me know. All your queries I will answer, and you have to post your queries in the chat window, please. It's time for you to ask all your queries. Go ahead, guys. Yeah, so many queries. Mostly we are getting time on Saturday and Sunday, sir. No, Sunil, it is a regular class. If you want, you can view the recordings, but Saturday Sunday we don't have any class, but occasionally we will take. Sunil and Nikhil, if some stuck not understand the concept, can we talk in Hindi? Nikhil, I don't know Hindi. Probably we can communicate with English, no problem. See, communication is nothing but just a medium, sir. Finally you have to understand the concept, don't worry. Okay, what about video recording? Saurabh, yeah, we are going to get a video recording also. Which language will be implemented? Sir, the language is nothing but C, Java and Python. Okay, C++ option is also given for you, but based on your requirement, if you want, you can take, otherwise you can ignore. Sir, will the programming language will be taught, will be proceeded to the programs, or do we need to know the programming language before in hand? Yeah, definitely. Gunashekaran, definitely at least one programming language knowledge must be required. Okay, otherwise you can't understand what I'm telling. See, if I'm writing if n percentage 2 is equal to 0, and you should not ask what is that if, all these things, because you should have a minimum knowledge. So it is not a programming language background, I mean a programming course. It is logic based programming. We are concentrating only on programs, not on language. Sir, at least one language must be required, but make sure that if you know at least one language, happily you can get interest to learn remaining languages. At the same time, if you are above average student, you can learn these new languages also from this session. That much easiness will be there, sir. Okay, I can give the guarantee for that. Which language will be implemented? Yes, Vishal, I told, right? Sir, we are going to implement in all the languages. Anurag Pandey, no, it is not only for fresher, anyone, those who are to learn programming, yes, it is useful. Yes, Ramkoti, yes, C, Java, Python, 3 languages. Ahmad, dynamic programming, all the advanced concepts we are not covering. We are at the basic level only. Okay, we are not concentrating even on time complexity, space complexity, like that. Just what is their requirement, how you can able to solve. Up to fundas we are going to see. Okay, yeah, 10 years, no problem, Rakesh. If you are already having an account on HackerRank, no issues. No, same batch only. See, whether you are experienced candidate or not, forget about that. You need to learn something. Okay, Anurag sir, Anurag Pandey. Sir, when you will Python new batch start? Okay, I will inform you. Probably in the evening 5 o'clock we are planning, but I will let you know if any batches is there. You can view that Telegram and YouTube. There you will get notification of my new batches. Java batch and Python batch. Soon it is going to start. Don't worry. What about difficulty level? Dipendra. Yeah, we are going to see easy problems, medium problems, higher level problems also we are going to see. Okay. No. Ashok. No, Alok. We are not going for dynamic, all these things. I already told, right? Yeah, Alok, we are going to see those programs also, tuple, sets, the dictionary, all these things. But make sure if demands, then only we will introduce those topics. Otherwise, we won't, because it is not a programming language, right? Suppose if I want to count a frequency, like hello, how many times H is repeated? How many times E is repeated? If it is the case, we need to choose one data structure, which is nothing but a dictionary. Then I will pick up the dictionary for that problem and I will explain how it will work. But as a separate dictionary topic, we won't teach, sir. Okay. Hello, Kiara. I think you got. Yeah, Nikhil, this is exercises only. We are going to practice the exercises. I will give 10 or 15 problems advance. You can practice and you can come to the next session. It is a practice session only. We will practice lively. We will take a problem. We will see what is the input, what is their expected output. All these things we are going to analyze, and then we will prepare algorithm and we are going to write the program. Everything we are doing manually, Nikhil. Yeah, Sunil, you can start from basics to advanced level. Nikhil, you are going to get videos on daily basis. Once if the class is completed, maybe half an hour or 1 hour after rendering, you can able to get the video. No, dynamic programming we are not going to cover. Collections, Durga Prasad. Yes, collections will be there. Like I told, right, whenever it is recommended, I will take. Suppose if you take, I want to remove the duplicates. So in Java, I can go for one collection like hash set like that. So in that case, I will introduce, but as a separate topic, we are not. Yeah, Sushil, we are not going to cover dynamic programming. Yeah, no problem. Akshay, it will be very helpful for you. No worries. Yeah, Ahmad. We are going to see the difficult programs also. This batch is for everyone, sir. Those who want to learn programming, this batch will be very helpful. Not for a fresher or experienced. No data structures. Data structures won't be included here. Yeah, advanced DSA. Yeah, definitely. Alok. Yeah, definitely. If time permits, we will launch. Yes, probably it will be uploaded within the same day itself. Yes, definitely it will be useful for experienced person also. Experienced people means if you want to move from one organization to another organization where coding is important, I want to go for a coding domain. Like I want to build the projects, like I want to do coding. Okay, sir, debugging. Like wherever coding is there, it is highly recommended to learn this so that you can increase your logical thinking. Okay. Yeah, Gunashekaran. Yes, you can join. As a beginner, you can enjoy these sessions. Clear? I think all your doubts got clarified. Sir, any doubts? Please confirm. If no doubts, we can move. Rakesh, we are not going to cover a stack data structure separately. In my program, parenthesis balancing is there. For that compulsory, we have to take the help of stack. There we will introduce stack. Okay, q also we are going to introduce, but as a separate topic we won't teach. Okay, logical course for advanced Java concepts, no sir, no sir. Oops, concepts won't be covered in this. Trig of, no, no. Yeah, oops concepts won't be there because those are project building concepts, not problem solving. Okay, of course we can, but something related to theory. Yeah. Yes, I told, right? You need to contact this two number. You can contact now itself. So contact to this number, make this payment, and our admin team will share the details. Okay. So you have to follow those things. Yeah, Rakesh, we will see those kind of programs also. Yeah, Anurag, sure. Almost 4 sessions or 5 sessions will be free, sir. Then after that, payment link we are going to get. Yeah, recursion problems will be there. Recursion problems will be there. Yeah, you can contact Nikhil. Contact to this number 80969696. Contact to this number. They will share each and every information. Okay. Yes. Shall we continue? Shall we continue? Yeah. Sir, please put your doubts ahead. We will discuss your doubts later. Okay. Let me go with our task. Next. Sir, here, what is our agenda? What is our daily activity? Okay, what is our daily activity? Sir, in LBP, logic based programming, what activity we are going to do? Sir, very simple. Our first activity is nothing but we are going to read the problem statement. We are going to read the problem statement very clearly. We are going to read the problem statement very clearly. Okay. Sir, after reading the problem statement, okay, 1 minute. Any one link I will show you so that you people will get some idea. 1 minute, sir. Please wait. Yeah. Sir, you can see this is nothing but one of the program challenge which we are going to discuss. Sir, LBP number 10, 10th program. Sir, we are going to read this problem statement clearly. What is a problem statement? We have to implement a program to calculate sum of digits, sum of odd digits present in the given number, and input a number we have to supply from the user. The constraint is nothing but the number should be greater than 0. Sir, what is the output? Print sum of odd digits. Suppose if the given number is 123, in this which are odd digits, sir? 1 and then 3. 2 is not a odd digit, so 1 plus 3 is nothing but 4. They have given input and output also. Sir, just we have to fill that gap, that's all. How many people submitted this code? 16 people. Max score is 1, difficulty level is nothing but medium. Okay. Now, sir, sample test case 2 is also there. 101, odd numbers is nothing but 1 and then 1. So 1 plus 1 is nothing but 2. Right? Sir, you will be having a panel. Here you have to implement in C language. If you want, you can go. Sir, in C++, if you want, you can implement in C++. Sir, if you want Java, you can implement in Java. If you want in Python, you can implement in Python. After typing the code, just you need to run for checking purpose. If everything is clear, you can submit the code. Sir, like what is our first step, sir? We have to read the problem statement. Then we are going to divide the problem. Okay, we are going to dividing the problem. So what is our requirement? If problem is very big, then it will be useful. If it is a small chota program, no need to divide the problem, directly we can implement. Then we have to find the logic to solve the problem. Okay, to logic to solve the problem. Sir, in the previous program, if you see in the previous program, what is the logic, sir? What is the logic, sir? Just we have to read. Okay, we have to read a number num from the user. Next, what we have to do, sir? Divide that number into digits. Okay, then what is the third step? Sir, check whether that digit is odd or not. Sir, if odd, then add to sum, else ignore. Sir, finally, what is our requirement? We have to print the sum. Sir, let me read this problem statement one by one. Suppose assume I have given the number called 1 2 3 4 5. What is the first step? Read the number. Yes, assume this is the number. What is the second step? Divide that number into digits. So 1 2 3 4 5, like this I divided. We have to write a loop to get these digits. Check whether that digit is odd or not. Sir, first one, is it odd? Yes, sir. If odd, then add it to sum. Initially sum is equal to 0, add this 1. Sir, 0 plus 1 will become 1. Is 2 is odd? No, ignore that. Is 3 is odd? Yes, add to that. 3 plus 1 will become 4. Is 4 is odd? No, ignore this. 5 is odd? Yes, add it to that. 9. Sir, after reading all the data, print the value of sum. Sum is nothing but 9. That's all that we have to do, sir. Next, once if analysis is completed, we have to implement the problem. You have to implement the program in C language. Sir, I will explain in all the languages. And we have to implement the program in Java. And sir, we have to implement the program, sir, in Python. You need to solve this problem in all these cases. Okay, sir, implementing the problem in Python will become very easy, sir. Implementing the problem in Python will become very easy. Sir, we can write a single line code for this. Okay, I can write a single line code for this. Let us see, sir, how I can write a single line code for this. Okay, I will write here. Observe carefully. Sir, we can write a single line. Sir, how you can write? Sir, very simple. Int of, okay, 1 minute. So list of input, then sir, int of I, for each I in input. Sir, if I percentage, sir, int of I percentage 2 is not equal to 0, then you have to select that, and you need to find out the sum of this